and is and obey mammy out here me, papa out here me, medofwa out here me ba out here me, no fasia out here me, papa out here me, and the papers out here say encourage ye. It is never too late. Encourage. And I pay encourage. And I pay we are software out here me. I sorry no Abba ministry na Baba ya stand still encourage. And I pay na for you now who is all mukwe ni mujao encourage. And I pay say unkwa sikato unse mu anahye wabemu yebu encourage. And I pay say meya ya swodin wonu wa mukasa bia encourage. And I pay say ni o manyina ahia ka wa brabo ni mu. Awaria ni ye jija awaria ni ya sei. Beba na wo sha uba no wo ye nioma bi enkechire ade pe na pesa wo ti ahye ni say Ewurade asem e wo tumi na mankwa Ewurade asem ma ye ti ahye say we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Ade pe say wo Ewurade a obetimi aye bidibia de obekwa akogina eduro so akanche ye bebo udin ye besa wo nan mu na ase ahwea ye befra wo kra e wo ahwehwe memma anope ye dibribi betu o se faso tiaso wo nan hono anye adwuma anope we can do all through Christ who strengthens us. The besa wo tiaso se nkechire wo shia wadanfo bi na odaka mu ho or your schoolmate. It is never too late. Ye we Ewurade ye wade anyina ante da na matter is for kase Christ inti ya adehye. And that number that say, oh, akomako kwanko. And that number that say, Christ asoro asorampa. Number that say, one two aye yosi aye in kerade. That number that say, mercy osmasor. Adabe, wherever you are, I want you to be part of this. But I made mawa to go to Germany and it is never and will never be too late. And catch the future radiatia kwai. Na ono no wakwenya ono no wotumi Bible say ono na wadome no ono na woshira ono na yedie ne nepa nyina wo no ana pe hwehwe Yesu meka fu Yesu Kristo ma we na na pe na hunu wakoma musa enkachire anti ebeyeye sade atie bia na odofo ebeyeye ema wabemu mbuda abemu boye nkuguo ema wo bi mbra waseda ema bi ndada osanye ye ema bi nkanche se wapem ema bi nkanche se nkosiaga ema bi nkanche se uhudia masa mese ebeyeye enu ti ade pay ema wabemu mbo mesa won cry wo Christ Jesus aoye me kwaje butan edi mu se ebeyeye nti ade pay nkachire me dash se wotie me na wasa wo hon cry na wakenten wo ho na wakanyan wo ho Ewurade ye Nyankopon Kristo dimo and it is never too late ebeye yie if you say Christ tiase na Ewurade wo mu a bebia eyefefefe enti enano na twere konkron e kan na ya me de say hey aso yade ye ni asafo Yehowa wono na wo bemu a wosiesie bibia obema bibia yefefefe eba ni sikasemu awade mu edwuma semu yade bi mpo na agba we ma wabemu mbo mesi enkechi ebeyeye adafu ya ni sewie ende ye mu bi ye ko ye ndwuma so ebi ko fuom obi ko akoto aba beton odani kire nkran odani kire kofodua wo kokuma ase wo ko abasisi a but ewie mu bobra no beye den ebeye san ne ewie mu sakran no san na ebesi beye anobey the ladies man Calvin Amponsa Eddie Ewa Hanum always fresh Brand Okoye ibi na funny yemsa say masa ko pay modium bi na collodium bi na nom onye bi ape liver salt bi ana ko pay antacid bi na nom na yenhwe ano pay ne hoye So together with the entire crew, we'll talk of DJ Donzi, the lead producer, Nana Okore, also Bella, K Brown, Ziggy Debbie, and the entire crew. We say you are welcome on board on the show. Okoman Kasa, Arabe yankona yenhwe weda no sade ne ewiemu bobre ebeye. Abrante ahofe.
Senior.
Na ti say.
Nyame adom bibia e kama.
Na de yefunu ne ye kama.
Bibia e fine.
Na de yefunu ne ye.
Bibia e fine. Bibia e fine. Na Friday o. Na ayere won sa no.
Ade Friday ye two before.
Ozo kasa nyina. Ayedi. Na me jora me say. Kaakyire.
Da eke. And na Friday no nkyere say ye nhye ye ho din we Ewuradim.
Emfa. Emfa.
Ye nhye ho din we Ewuradim o se emfa.
Obekasa egu.
Me kasa egu.
O kasa egu.
Amanfo take decision e wie dada.
Me tie ma take me decision. Do you want me show within?
Say emfa.
O kasa egu.
Aha, o side na emfa.
Anya mi o.
Oh, okay. Ebi a wo side na why wadune say wo ma ne emfa.
Do you say me kwa na me kwa akodi weekend?
Na weekend say na say every da pen bi a sha say ekwa wie ye.
Antina me chere say Amanfo.
O ka say wo kodi weekend, na kodi weekend ne sesen.
Amanfo ayo mo plans dada.
Plans ti unkenten ho Ewuradim.
Ojidi say.
Enti ma wabemu ebu.
Anya abemu bu.
Enti me say enka kire o.
Ekire de yinim say enka. Yeah, we say enka ekire. Aha.
Enti.
Then when I o purchase last week no ojura wo mu Friday obi insema mo ka kire ni nyina kire no. Okwa all night kura Friday. Saturday no say nyinam. Anya ne anosofo no be kan.
Ojiremu means what?
Obejina street no so be gi nani.
Na street so nkwa na agi ani.
Sana me kire wo say ano kura mpo anya ho nkwa no kura no. Okọ all night Friday ni anosofo ka wante. Asa ba Obejina street no so Saturday gi nani. Enti no we ni de waka, o de waka yate. Ese sa na wo mu.
Nti akoye say waka but yemfa.
Enne de sa na akoye.
Ade tran de akoye say because in there
Friday ye ntufo.
Sa.
Friday de utufo wo be ka say gu kwa.
Oh, but a photo na ye tuo no. When say Ewurade ade bia ye Ewurade asem na makwa. Asem na ba ma obi. Enti na no na Bible na ka say Ewurade asem mba kwa age ne beye ne ayasoma no ewi asem ne san kwa Ewurade nchen. It carries power, that is dunamis, and exousia, that is authority. You see, you will come to understand this. Asem bia be free woni pe numo no it carries weight. And you're too powerful. And you be a mama, but a back come. How do you know? You don't have any empirical this thing. Proof say and Kwamado
Friday.
Me don't say him say Kwamano.
I'll tell you who's in it.
Minimum say Aquama Ziggy.
Man, how if you're made of black, you back.
Yeah, and I mean who say, and then I suddenly discuss say we are in the month of breast cancer awareness. And yes, Bella. Once you can't say no for no binum no. Bella Shefia, one Baby Obinum. Obisa Bella Sinity and
Obinum.
But it is well.
Yes, almost it
is well.
Ziggy made of black yampe. Made of black. Son and one in the favorite.
I don't know yet.
Made of black. Made to me moody.
Made of black.
Yes.
Ziggy say or so I know when you're actually. Ziggy, what can say good so? This man can lie.
Ziggy. But Sunday Okano, there are October. I mean, here, Major Santu, me of Madinia Santu, and rap Major Santu Baha, now Bashisha Okaka. Nia and said, breast cancer awareness month and come on now. None of the ID na Anna or interested. Say, as all the two just say,
Auntie, no for now.
Yes, all the two just say, at times they put you off and they say, Ojira na so ba she a friend is saying what kind of thing
lingerie, that is the night gown
no near there no
now koda na wa she bia
doesn't entice you yes no say eh krachi so ba pa free ni ama na to iwo ade mu na no fu ejina so no ompe
e sha dem dabi
also futu ni do anka odo be ma
dabi me eja sha tu
yes odo be na
me dia no dia emboa me se dia wu kan obi a ne the way a osi processing enioma me the moment am ni be boso say wo share wa bo brazia o beda wo wo share mo kan say panty bi kura na sexy one CB tromotu bi and then I say for it will put me off. That is me. Ebi amu say dia move ebi ajasantu e ne fe. But me no be put me off.
Okay.
Akropong bo if our dene ma da Adam so te na if na woda kwatere kwa na bibia nhye no.
If Adam so enwo hwe.
Ba me nim say that time na ne hu efu say na ne hu efu. Because na me nim say no ye penio so no ye penio.
No ni ani.
Na Adam ni ani. Nani efra. No ni ani. Nani efra. But otumi hu say we ye me dompe mu dompe. Obi a nani efra no nani hey
oni ani a odi be hu.
Sa. Ti Yakobon fra Adam ani. But obi a nani mani hu say we ye me dompe mu dompe.
Aba na bie nani.
Ede ben.
Eduaba no.
Eduaba na bie
Adam any Eve any mo hu sampom da deja.
Are you talking of their spiritual eyes and I say
I'm not even talking about but at the end of the day no they noticed, they came to realization say
they were naked.
Yes.
The word naked no when you study the original Hebrew word and yet naked as in physical say obi nshata there but spiritually they came to understand they say
omo adam pine spiritually
exactly exactly
and you know
I say Bible say Akropong tete fig trees and all the palm or the aprons ema womo
enti era so October mu I mean we kwanye futu na Friday me ka say gu kwa mami twa so
da bi men twa so
we ka say gu sanga so mo nkoso ma me ma nunum but oba no nti be ma no mo no betie na Friday no be ma no me betie say futu opa ko num nti obeti but make I say go kwa enti no dey is mami ka o say there so breast cancer awareness month mu free the boost omunya no phone mu na Friday omunya mu na nsensen we hia we tumi tam say enum na dey na
mo amobọ brazia mo no da na so obi no 40 say dan kajo eno ye 32
onim size ni nyina
minim 32D minim 34C
what try ni nyina bi da
minim 36D minim ebi wa friend abaya bodies and we so pa and they size 48 size 52 there o de hu no
there na when ni jin pa size ben
sadare me catch us me ma me twa me no for ntem enti am ase we deny me bibi enti me hu no for a
say and no na fi na
enti me hu no for a aya me ne je yo I say the two must correspond. No, I say Ohm's law. Ohm's law said the power for in a circuit is proportional to the current. Therefore, pi r is equals to what? Then you see that why calculation no. And he said no for for
okay. Okay. So also when we try no phone.
No for there.
I think now no more there.
No for there. And now young kokura say Bible say when David became feeble, they took unto him a damsel. A damsel.
All the Bible.
Bible ni Yesu kakra. Yes, spend 4 years. Okay. Edo college Yesu ya. Eti enim kakra.
Oko Trinity ana.
Obi na ka kire wenya me na me kan. We bia wate. Ebi awate
Trinity for there mo ya mamo teachings any training proper training mo there no nya me ma me obi oko Trinity me pen asem say okusua the Bible,
yes,
the teachings no osua Bible no na so no ma so baza wala for no
what
baza wala kwanchem for no
ebi ne hefa for
me mwedi but kwanchem for no dey omo
apart from Trinity no me say fi one mo call Southern Ghana Assemblies of God Bible College.
Okay.
Yeah,
do your assemblies ni wait my canesa
me call college one but ohwe me Methodist ni by birth.
Methodist.
But me assembly say to suffer me I go, I preach, I meet the youth, I go, your programs na there.
Okay.
Yeah, so a normal you better not say dia you be suma Amanfo.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Ada pray my yanko na eke yanhwe ende and that's said the awiemu bobre no ebeye but before that eke unim say ende your Ghanaian football bi a wode Elvis Hammond ya won October 6 1980. That time na my penny awie ene eye na woda and they say who di wa woda na only Elvis Hammond na edi sa awoda no na we Ghanaian footballer pa odimu pa efe Joseph W.S. de Graaf Johnson or former vice president of Ghana yeah on October 6 1933 Cape Coast former vice president of Ghana Joseph W.S. de Graaf Johnson also AD na woda enne ana ni takitawia waye wohen oye king enne na woda senkaniti ase ni 1940 oye ga enkran hene gamache the third ono na woda enono efe Rahel Florence Apo sawoni na oye Ghanaian media practitioner osanso a businesswoman oye accountant and currently oye member of parliament Emma Gomwa Central ewo Ghana ha na woda so ene ende nti honorable se ene wa woda obibia odi na woda ne no oni Rahel Florence Apo ena edi ma woda ene ne krakure mo no Clifford ni boy Tego Ghanaian academic ye ka Ghana fo a ono mo eja etimi ko school yi bia o ka ho pa o academic o pe wo mesua ye wo no 1949 Clifford ni boy Tego 1949 ye wo no ono so ende na woda Prince Ofori footballer Ghanaian footballer ono so na woda ne de 1988 and if Benjamin Terry and so we footballer Ghanaian footballer ye wo no 1994 October 6 1994 ono so di nti se wo di wa woda ena na kire se ene no sa netenen oni etitiri we no ena edi ma woda nana akwaba
yeja
empombo ko de
jina me na so
na ufri lata na se ufri hene be
me ka se de me fi okugwa na be
okugwa boko
yo boko
ye do ba de ase
fi apena me redu late ene ese obalate
ede se me balate
yo ene mahemfo basan eresua yo ana ye be san adwumadi kakra o hobiete
okay
nti ene no enye betesa
na form sa
nti ene me no
adaje ni poso
po
ende ye patupa
no me yefim
matekasa wele wusiafo amayenko na enado pe wiemu bobre no eke emfa entuyenim
anɔpɛ nso no yɛnkyi Okoman atiefo on Okoman 97.1 anɔpɛ nso no wimu nsɛm ɛne ne yɛde ba fi anɔpɛ kɔpem sɛ ɛne no onwuni ɛbɛtɔ no sɛnea wim bɛsifa ayɛ no ana ɛne no yɛwura ɛfrɛ no Vincent Antwi Asante ɔno nso atumi ɛde mu nkɔmmɔ ɛde aba na tie na hyɛ no nso sɛ anɔpɛ no wim ɛbɛyɛ kusu kakra na ɛsɛ bɔ no ɛnso no ɛbɛsisi ɛnso no ɛwɔ Ghana mmeammea bebree saa nso na ɛkɔ awia mu no owia no bɛbɔ kakra na emu fi na obiesa ekọ anodwofa mu no nso no ade a ene no insu no nso no ebetumi atọ enso ewo ho ntene oripu a na nso no watumi ahye ne nso ade amame mo amwo etifido mantem nso no mo nhye ne nso sa na open nso no ade a eno nso no insu be petepete kakra enso no wo ho edu awie ma ade a awia no nso ebebo na afi nso no anodwofa no wimu nso no atumi adwo form owo enkran Ghana yepu man anase Ghana yen ahinkro enkran hye no nso from Mr. Anopei ade a wimu bejo na wimu so no atumi kusu kakra enso no ewon kran kromu sanso na edu awia no ebebo won kran ati awia no ebebo dimenko fa coat gugu tang bin jacket
ade ma she coat ntina o pese
oni kran
mo krum hanu me haya me awo
oni kran
enso endra me ka kire obi o ka kire me se onokra de ehuhuro di no o she odi no ana me se ai
no na normal weather atena ya bre
enti no ya no yenhunu sani abi awu no
normal
o ai se koto fufura wa bansum wani so ayo krakra
mani so time
o ma kwankura wo sunum o ma kwankura wo
mani so time
enti mire kakra bi no bo se be normal o sorry ano pakra na on share tare a
hey
you feel good
nana me sorry my bones your share pa me dware so share
me dware so onyu
o yire ni ya nti wanware so
wanware so share wa be
we dey na sabi yire wa hakura nka be
wo se ohia nufu
enti yango yanum na DJ Donzi I think I know we are about Samson and you may bring so idea and soon baby go kakaka and so no on cry over Pum Alcofrudia a Puma and Taman Kurati. Now Shannon son or Penson idea and also no and soon be Goo Kaka now a bonus so etimacy into one war gala will Sabine Betum and I didn't among Shannon so Oba adore so ne Nadinano Bonson Monshan son or Penson idea a bonus kaka a via bremono a idea a vianon sono a bit to me about kakra beat na fi no 9 air corner sono idea in suno and suno a bit tomato and then Osha or Hanin Chichima Diana and Gina say and them if you know 9 air corner in suno and su a bit to me to do a so a wiemu so no ebejo form na awona bakakra nti no so no na watumi ahye no so nti na ropa enene wiemu bobre se ni sifa etia fi enne anopai kopem se ene enwumire ebedu no eye no nsia no eno so no watumi ahye no so yewura Vincent Antwi Asante ono enema yensa ekanka boya yenso no yatumi ariama
anape yabeda wasese watumi ayenisa ede amaye ne wamaye ho ewiemu bobre no sedia ebeya enioma ebeko nene ente bebia yehunu se ewiemu ase kusukuku besi ewiemu ase ensio bepetepete odu bebia ensio ebetoto ewia bebo kakra no na ahyenkafo titru na ya shene so saa na wo obi a wonso dwumadie bi esiwe ni so kwa akodi dwuma bi a obetu kwai obe bia na wa shene so sade be ya enne se wia na bebo sensuo na beto mpotem ho no momentum wo kurum ho no no enkonkofa ohaw bia nso so emfa emrewo anti eke anope ye da wase na asa na obekọ no na no dey papa bi aba bedu na no dey na wo kase enne ye ntu ni pafo
ene efida according to ono ne tradition ene no yentufo say ne efida
because we born to Brazil
why na adwene say ne obeka bi ontie
obeye
we si ne bo say ne obeye ne no ana obeye
enti mayem say enti dian pa na obeye ne
nya ne amaye o
ba say one plan say
norm
dabio enya norm say one plan say obeye bibia ye tufu a obete
men cause men plan me just say enya ne amaye
ba wa plan say anti wa plan say obeye bibi
Friday bia di obi aye ne plans je why betuma ba say oh ubi and now sorry pe okọ baby sort ya say obi a wo contract bia na nti ne ameba be ka no enya de enya say o plans no so me ka say ke je men kolate so betina se na yetumi hwe yedi nkomo ne ade a emfa ma how esa be ma how wala ta na we ko no nko biem osu na anu ni abenya afrim a wala ta na wo ko no me beti yi ene me ko free dia sort ya say yes 4 o'clock me ko me ba china intino
oko eden o ba me no papa te ho
ba me no papa nto
we busuafo ho
me busuan ni ko free dia
nti wo ko daddy's papa na oko eden
me engagement wedding engagement nti me kwa bebe china ba bia de na because china show want no bia na maba nti o gidi say afutu oba mpa na everything sama adwen obeka say what you met my idea na wakasa na mo bi na kan waka
mato
enso yam
fa
amafo okosoro mo yere no mo amafo nso amukọ adwuma ema na ekọ adwuma di weekend ahwo bag o mo kọ adwuma o de steady ema no ekọ adwuma Fridays ahwo bag o mo ko
bag ni mu yeduru kaka na
pepe obeba Monday no be share wa adwuma on zan be fi Monday no fu a obeshia wa adwuma
asa okọ nikunu ho se bia nikunu wo koforidua bia na ne yire wo koforidua ne yire tenkran ne yire wo bobonkro ni bi
me de me say ma na omo ware e kura so hwo mo bag Fridays and Mondays bag o ba do ko adwuma
okay your ladies wa ha se ne ware ba adwuma ma ye behwe
ma rage ndo ma
ha na ka kira o se emma na ewedwuma kura me hu bi ache
me kura me hu o ma che but 3 days
me nim baby o mu nyina afa
o de hwe oba ko adwuma
apart from me be yeah queen mo friend queen ma me
queen
yeah queen Esther apart from me be e ka nyina me hu baby obi a
banka balance nka e good was a
hwe na bag o de we adwuma
Bella
Must you to me fast school bag if I Ghana must go in our account.
No one energy.
Or the school bag, she won't wear them.
Bella, I know.
Bella, but
no,
so about pent and pan off a drop and no packet with your bag and it them.
Sir,
your point, yeah.
Or the drop in no cry, bet you
bag or bag Friday. I know the Monday on
Ila.
Graph was a call your valley.
Call you Valley, Nakainoni. Call you
Friday. I don't know the Monday on But they are steady. I'm about to match slippers first. What do you want to say?
I said,
what's the Mayo?
So on a man and
Bearman suit you as an upper magro baby.
But about here.
About no Bianca so about who? That argument no Bianca so about who here.
Dear, a match I'm where she be.
When are they confuse in
Yeah,
oh, maybe I may per master, may per magro, and two battles of background in China. Mesremo, I am one in the hall, and
myself no so sad. Oh, maybe I say, maybe madam for me, madam for not the found they are.
Yeah, Nana. Studies actually say the more you get closer to somebody, the more you have affection. You develop a sort of affection, or a kind of love for that person.
I know taste to cry to me.
Okay,
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Words fail me when it comes to you. To say thank you seems just not enough. But what more can I say that you haven't heard? Yahweh, why you're in Santa? What more can I do that you haven't seen? Yahweh, why you're in Santa? Hey, when you're me, grandma, when you are coming, what hits us? I don't see what for you I am. Where do I come in? May the meditations of my heart be acceptable to you. Yahweh, why you're in Santa? May the meditations of my heart be acceptable to you.
Obi beka chira use aya no kra abrofo na sisi ache ya constitution kra ya mbra kuni adibu o man ane kra wo mo ekasem ya mododo asan pa bana se na kase enka Kwesi Appea wo ye lawyer baba modia ama ya man kuni adibu o man wa chira no ewo Akuapem twi mu wa chira wo Akuapem twi mu Lawyer Kwesi Appea ya de.
Where do I begin? When can I?
Anti Ghana sisi ya betimi de yesese ebo akasa.
Grateful enough.
Your constitution ye mbra kuni aye dibu man no. Lawyer Kwesi Appea. I translate ni na wodi fia mako and watching 8 solid years. Ono ko abayamboa no obi amoa no.
Impo. Me no kan kra na me ka say I take about 15 years.
8 years.
Wow.
8 years.
Out of gratitude be heard.
Dosso na preamble no the entire preamble no 26 chapters.
Wow.
Yes, na enye easy. Masa
why are you?
Your friend be linguistics. Before we betimi translate we know there must be a use of neologism using account spellings and that enye better
yandumos adumache na
want to me adumache from 1957 the constitution but other countries like Bolivia, Brazil, South Africa crowd kasa ne dos nti ya mobia we wa je na Akuapem pim say wo mu asante twi beba wo mu amfante beba dagati dagbane na nina wala sesala
mikro mu kasa frafra
nso beba na ye koyenim Anti anope yamfa asadakase ema papai oye lawyer. Yeah, Kwesi Appea waya de pa utini dina obi nka nkyere obabi ofre.
Can I be grateful?
No another.
And I say thank you enough.
Venia Wada University of Ghana.
My depth of gratitude. Words fail me.
Nkrobate bia ye friend Oye Dean School of Performing Arts and School of Performing Arts.
That's talking.
Aya Professor Kaakyire Kwesi Appea, Acting Dean of School of Performing Arts, University of Ghana. Waka say, oh,
No words.
I said Ghana for nyina yetimi. Emma ye nigye. Na abrofo no kwasem ne say wonu medie enya che. Wonu medie enya che. Wonu medie enya che. From 1957, Appea pema hankrong eduonum enson besin ne. Kire say na bibia brofo kasem awraho kra sem kra ne say okoka brofo na utia na yesro. And so ya kase krom kase.
Ibebrente kase tinkem ya.
Just anya ye krom kase. Me amtia kra papa ba na metumi ka no.
Eno ne asem no.
Ye krom kase ye ntimi nka ye kra pimtwi ye ntimi nka ya sante twi ye ntimi nka ubehu fantini ba ya wona totema ono ani krom fanti kasa no wonte. Ubehu enkran ni ba pa. And then ya de brofo atete na de ka beso na maham na chi 5 na de na ko school e konso a oka twa na ya punish
to ba ka brofo sa Akuapem so ba number 5
number 5
number ba no wa bre odidi ya wo
o besia akra be yo homework English homework o wi a we pa bibie di na wada ana be ya beda lawyer what translate your constitution no e de eko Akuapem twi ase.
Where do I begin?
So good.
Can I stop? Hey, can I be grateful enough?
Ada pe anche kra be aye be. The sports no be to aso e dia mamo.
Not define my depth.
Na and some other pronsu ye pa ye be hwe pa. The sports na the Ruban Krata who draw no some way dimu akotene. News making headlines in the dailies ya de be to aso e dia mamo. News making headlines in the dailies ya de be to aso e dia mamo.
Out of gratitude be heard. Yet though I speak no words, my heart's a wing to give you praise. Oh, may the meditations of my heart be acceptable to you.
Ebi ekase free SHS about best say education system no. Education ministry say that be. We have proof, we have data, we have evidence. Empirical one, done a diachra way who say it has rather improved our education system. The Bobo Raho Yebedin Common now, and Deputy PRO, Minister of Education, Yura and Nestako Sabedin Common. And be boy homebody, the Eastern Regional Youth Organizer of the NDC. Party bedding come on, Sana Yasha Yebenya, from NPP.
Hey, can I be grateful enough? Can I say thank you?
Akropong-Akuapem.
A million words cannot define
constituency. So, Beba.
Gratitude, words fail me.
Akropong-Akuapem constituency. Akuapem, it's Akuapem North, eh? So, Akropong is embedded, it's a subset of Akuapem.
My heart.
I am in church the meal. Akuapem North constituency.
Yes, but in the books of the Electoral Commission, Akropong constituency.
Akropong
constituency.
Yes.
But you see, on the Akuapem South constituency, we now have friend Akuapem North constituency. But in the books of Electoral Commission, Akropong constituency.
Akropong constituency. Thank you very much.
Cannot
You come on now, pay.
my depth of gratitude.
Now fuel prices, on the freight and bridge. I say na and dry faith, eh? Starting up on the third. Ya fango ho ya digu ka mu kwa ba de diesel ni petrol ni de masa mutu mu se ya na ma hayo na enchai se na no be metesa ya se gold for oil na no ho sam ni na kwa akosi se and they be di hon komo ya ni Alhaji Abbas Moro or Industrial Relations Officer GPRT Ghana Private Road Transport Union and come to baba ho ati abehwe
Full enough.
se ya tufu amu a fango na ekosra
Words.
Adroba for we are no muso ye betum na ensem bebre. But why sir some of the OMCs you know prices you know a war from ɛwɔ fam na ebi deɛ nso ɛwɔ soro ɛno na obi bɛka akyerɛ wo sɛ fango ni nyinaa nyɛ pɛ ebi deɛ kora de adwongo fra nti wotɔ bebree digu ka mu etumi sɛ wo ka no obi deɛ ɔsɛ ɛba ne akɔpɛku banwa wɔ nsema ne de abɛfra egu ka mu yato Amanfo fofo no but MPA fo nso aba sɛ da bi sɛ asɛm na wo ka na ɛnyɛ no kora ɛnyɛ ade a ɛyɛ no kora ebetimi esi da because always no yɛyɛ checks na ya balance ne oma enti yɛhwɛ ahoɔden a ɛwɔ mu yɛhwɛ nnura ɛwɔ mu yɛhwɛ nneɛma a wɔde abre bia MPA yɛkɔ standard board yɛkyɛke enti nyade a bibisa no ebetimi ayɛ echima ɛhɔ saa Yes, no be ade baby a wonya ne de obi de ne de fi Nigeria na eba obi de ne de free amanone na waba be nane na waton obi de ne de but for your information ma me see asem do we isu do anka nkyerɛ say Ghana ho and you shemu actually approve amayati ase say Ghana oil goil for no Ghana oil goil amofango no eye papa ahodin wom my depth of gratitude. Aretimino Kwesi ejamene dey. When it comes to you. Wala busu anonso abo apa ho smatu ebe ayebe say yede agodie mu nsem atwam emawo eke Calvin aposa Eddie aye krado wa hanom a oye ne sa edi ama yakọ fa agro kensi ho nsem ne yemfa mbra we ne kire no ne akebia no ibebe urade ubonkrata ahodo nim na na ode papa bi wo fidue mu ye behwem na yatena senso edi nkomo ye ba
Okoman Radio. Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Right, Okoman 97.1 and Anopa Yatana see Fiera on Okoman Kasa Nino Yedi Akukensi Munsem and so no it me Eddie bro out Jumediano and so Midin Eddie Kelvin and Ponta Eddie call me AK the boss player. That's and now Fiera yes, thank God it's Friday. If you to be a one Nipada Zania Ebefa and Teneno now what's the set that I know and one I feel so for 2 1 hour and then Friday night could weekend but yeah come near the Akukensi Munsem Barima memfana sekese emfama 1x bet and rather Amanfo cash out big time from 1xbet interneno yansa be download the 1xbet app no register now make a deposit or first deposit no yeah ma 100% bonus sounds now you see a promo code now yeah 1xbet jackpot Ghana yeah ma 300% bonus that's any ma conkan and so no at me at the amount nyina no 1xbet unyamburu mfie ni ochia memfa unjim sounds na utwa bet na watwa na nyansemu nti anonso no sounds na yeah Bell Ice Drinks upon a pineapple lemon sounds on a orange upon a fruit cocktail no sounds on a Bell Cola Bell Orange Squeeze no nina no be ebi or sounds on a vodka mix no media no be and so no and I feel on a Bell ice whiskey cola unya binabo bar and Friday my weekend no enya de emfama bubobi nani amanso no and Konkai and Sono and Fama Balaqua and Sano and I know what to make Bell Ice Drink say at me about tissue no ube you should tear chop bar restaurant hotels and muntie monkona monkoto flora tissue and I make come for them baby girls mu pia pocket ones no mumfa bin fancha mo bag mu na ni amansono and Konkai and Fama all the people ni mam entutun tetaro we nimu and then isuki ensuo ni fifre bia now so nim at me at flora tissue and I mean so no make for and so no Ediama straight away Yensen Sona say and free the Ghana Football Association and rather when we say the presidential and executive council elections no and so no etumi so our yet tamale an election so and so no etumi so na rather say na battle no esifa ekoye mamencha say and free the Tibrek Sanankasa Ket Edwin Simona Kweku onu so kon Quantin Crow South say next will be an to me nyina papa nkwa erekoye na nipa ile hwe nim sanke no ma beto aba our presidential election no ebu no 120 nipa 120 na osan komo ba na so no nipa 119 eletumi ba ya eno mkoto aba no na 119 eto aba no bia ni we say nzo dia say 117 eto yes ede market Edwin Simon Apreku omoto yes ede market Edwin Simon Apreku ana afenso no 2 eto eye no ntene no after say George free nyina no more opportunities on beto etiaket na so nkoto ede ma no nti 119 no ene ket Edwin Simon Apreku enya 117 ana afenso no 2 etuma 2 no enso na wa no ada ket Edwin Simon Apreku empenfo etima san akoyi ni se ene no Ghana Football Association president enfie na ya de anim no papa no ensan entoaso no mo adwuma emfama the Ghana football nti eno so ene command ma menfio menko the executive council position ahonom ana nipa dodo na ejina ye rep from a women's football ebae na eno so nipa ba ko Quantin Kro Gifty Oware Mensa Abuaje onom from Berry Ladies onom ebe jina say ento no so aba onom so no na ye twa ni nipa aduonu 20 ana ba beto aba 20 ni nyina enso aba ebeto aba no 20 ni nyina eto yes enso timedema Gifty Oware aye Mensa Abuaje enti nipa 20 no mu nyina to yes edema maame no no so na tima bawuram the executive council and so na baby ana pressure ne wo na mo den na nipa ka ho no enso no ni no repsa every Premier League no mom aba be pemu the executive council no so na tie saying about no sifa ko ye about no ye ko in 3 sections about no ko 3 rounds first round no any after first round of elections no Fred Achi onya 11 votes Samson and Raf Jamra enya 7 Edmond Aka enya 8 Dr. Anthony Obin enya 7 Kinsley Osei Ponsu enya 9 Nana Odro Safo Miami Wofa enya 10 Randy Abe enya 12 Samson James Mayele Kwesi Appea onya 10 Oyina Senso enya 7 Ana Ilioni Amande enya 9 It's after the first round of elections no na say ye 5 every moment so beko the executive council no so nya 5 ni nyina nya 4 nipa omutumi elect omo 4 to the executive council no eni Dr. Randy Abe onya dodo 12 Fedachi etosumienu 11 James Mayele Kwesi Appea tosumiensa onya 10 ana afiso me wofa na oduro safo enso nya 10 na otoso 9 eti 4 we etumi bo wure mu executive council na mo benya se bepe ba akwa ho na ba akono na asam no wo Kinsley Osebonsu enya 9 ana afiso Elioni Amande enso enya 9 na se na wo se etumi epe ba akon ekọ yakoto second round Donzi yato second round no omumienu sanya 99 biem na se ase apai na wo se sanko third round no ana Kinsley Osei Ponsu etumi konya 12 ema Elioni Amande journalist say ono so konya 6 ene Kinsley Osei Ponsu enso etumi bowura mu eko join the executive council of the Ghana Football Association tinipa 5 from the Premier League ni Randy Abe James Kwesi Appea Samson of Frederick Achampon Nana Odro Safo ana afinso Kinsley Osei Ponsu omuso ntumi wura mu from the Premier League ugo piemu Division 1 awonso no nipa ejina ye no makomako enum de jina ye na o say yimum yansa every Division 1 ekọ the executive council no so tie yeto aba ne wie ye no Gideon Fosu onya 29 votes Sansona Samuel Animado Asamoah ni manager no onya 13 votes Mark Ado ono na vice president LFE onya 32 votes Papa friend Eugene ni Amon onya 28 votes ana friends ono Alex Abebio enya 15 votes intimiensa etumi koye from Division 1 Euremo Executive Council no eso enie Papa friend Mark Ado 32 votes oko Eugene and I said Gideon Fosu 29 ono so eko ana Eugene ni Amon eso nya 28 nipa miensen etimi awuramo the executive council Samuel Enim Ado surprisingly went to me awuram previous administration na okay the executive council na ni position no went to me aluso ono so nya 13 votes that's a modern mono answer that here is and so I don't know into Ghana Football Association elections so send Nisifa call yeah na November mu busume besimno and I should say the Regional Football Association elections and a District Football Association elections so I don't so no ebetimi akoso into so now so and so no at me Eddie Amami Yemfi Ghana Football Association Yen corner fin so Yen Kopiemu and so the Bet Power Premier League over the weekend and then Akropong-Akuapem Adwada matches Zodona and so betimi akoso or the Ghana Premier League no Yen Chona fin so Yen fa san kono and fan tuja and so no and fama na hu matches and so because so or the Ghana Premier League no and so no emu na hu club no baby ono so call na fin so Kaakyire Kwesi Appea and so no ewo ho and na match to join in a big game 3 p.m. Ghana time Aduana Stars at na fie ewo na Najima Bedu Park no ne Brekum Chelsea at me ngabo live on Star Times at the channel no and so Echina Bechem United and media man ebebo Kwasiara Heart to Folk our year and crying the Nations Wembley and Dreams FC ebebo and a big game Samsung Nations FC and Legon Cities Kerala United and Sony Great Olympics abekoso our Liu Mahama Stadium in Sertraman and FC Samatas ebebo and so no Nana Kromansa Sports Complex 3 p.m. Kwasiara Dance Park Bibiani Go Stars and Real Tamale United RTU and ebebo Heart of Lions abetina fie Wafra Park Sugakope no ne bo fakwa tanabo and afin so Adwada Monday and Eruko PM and crying 4 p.m. Ghana time Accra Lions and afin so no Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko and so no Adebebo and so any way Ghana Premier League matches and also betoja yatimi ere ama Yanko Division 1 League in mo Access Bank Division 1 League Zone 1A matches to jump over the weekend any Mana FC and Wa Power ebebo Samsung Victory Club Warriors and Northern City ebo Wasunta and so any Tamale City Tachiman Heroes and Steadfast ebebo ano Zone 1A Zone 1B no Young Apostles and so atenafie atonsa e dey afre Wamnafo Mighty Royals Liberty Youth and so any the BB United BA United and the Brekum City Bafo Soccer Academy and so any 11 Wonders ebebo ano Zone 1 B Zone 2 matches in any Young Red Bull and New Edubiase Rose Park FC and Sky FC King Faisal and so any Venomous Viper ebebo Soccer Intellectuals and Future Stars Swedrow Blacks and Elmina Sharks Park Academy and in Zamakoroko Mysterious Abonto Drops and so any Sefi All Stars and Afinson Asekem FC and Baseke Holy Stars and so no Atimi Edia Poeni and no Zone 2 Zone 3 matches in any Okwa United and so any Kufuria Semper FC Ebo Golden Kicks FC and then a God Ebebo Home Stars FC and Hawaii United ebo Uncle T United and a Trump VC ebo Susubribi and Oda Kotoku Royals Ziggy Mo Division 1 Moni Susubribi and ebo Abekoso our team Oda Tafu Rivers Park Still Believe and so any Kings Palace ebo FC Nania and Accra Athletic and Afinson Akati All Stars Etnafie our Akatisco Park no so any Vision FC and so etimi abo we and a Division 1 League Access Bank matches over the weekend and also betuja yedi amayetie for yemfifie ne kopiom amanane na yemfa amanane nkomo kakran tuja memfama na yensore so dia eno ada Europa Conference and as Europa League no matches so say na results na sifa etie AEK Atense Shebako Ayas Shebako Aris 2 Rangers 1 Real Betis 2 Sparta Praha 1 Freiburg 1 West Ham United 2 Kudus Mohammed Ejinamobo 80 minutes and so to West Ham Marcel 2 Brighton and so no 2 there's a match no name more than papa and so no ha yedin komono eba Rakov 0 Stormgrass 1 Sporting CP 1 Atlanta 2 TSC 2, Olympiacos Paris 2, AS Roma 4, Salvate Ensono 0, Romelu Lukaku Bolingoli ebo goal, Andre Belotti ebo 2 goals, and Afonso Pellegrini eba kom piso, Samsona Haken 0, Karabakh FK 1, Liverpool 2, Royal Union Ensono 0, Abrante friend Ryan Gravenberg and Afonso Diogo Jota, Ensono Bogo Sanima Liverpool, Mode FK 1, Bayern Leverkusen 2, Slavia Prague 6, Charity Sport 0, Toulouse 1, Lens Links 0, Villarreal 1, Rennes Ensono 0. Europa Conference League, say no Ensono results in Sifa Ekoye Astana 1, Victoria Pleasant 2, Besiktas 2, Lugano 3, Bodo Glimt 0, Club Brugge 1, Breda Blake 0, FC Zoya 1, Balkani 2, Dynamo Zagreb 0, Genk and where Ghent 2, Maccabi Tel Aviv 0, Glasflix 0, Lille Metropole 0, Samsona Jubana 0, Slovan Bratislava 1, Aberdeen 1, HJK Helsinki 1, Aston Villa 1, Zinski 0, Branton Dean and so on John McGinn at a ball 90-minute goal and so on Aston Villa AZ Akma 1, Liga Warsaw and so on 0, Kukaraki 0, Genk and so on 2. That's Abrante Joseph Pencil Epo goal and so on Fiorentina 2, Ferencváros 2, Nordirland 7, Ludogorets 1, Abrante Frenum Ibrahim Osman Ghana need this year no Abrante no and so no team Pogo and so no Edman Nordirland, Paul Thessalonic 2, entering Frankfurt 1, China 1, Fenerbahce and so no 2, and also and Komono Senior and also Esifa Etie and Manchester Abekosono and so Mamin PM our French League match back Strasbourg and Nantes and so never ball Uko PM Italian Serie A Empoli 4:30 and Udinese Lecce 6:45 and so Sassuolo and so Ebebo Bundesliga Mönchengladbach 6:30 and Mainz 05 Ebebona Fiso La Liga no Athletic Club Bilbao and so 7 p.m. and so any Almeria and so Edibebo any way aya amanane nkomo sene sifa etia yede ama nti ha ana brebe mo kwan na fin so no agukansem nsem anopai ono Okoman Kasa so no yan so no yatimi ede asi na sekese en so no enko emfa emma one expert say no so eso ya se me se chacha no betwa no watwa one expert register make a deposit na fin so no onso no nya bonuses no na twa weekend matches buburuja e wo ho obedi sika e de gu botum ye ko weekend de enya futu na mo make house obedi sika one expert for life savings nyina fegu achiri na fin so no na me bo achina cash out big for one expert. Samsung floral tissue. Me say any tissue obe use abeboa. Restaurant, chop bar, and afi hotels awodo no mu use ano. E bar ni bi say ye tissue ukofa baza wala tissue bi aba oso say. Ama no mo fa some bag mo jo so keke. Mo fa bi emphasis mo ho na ne ma enko kan. So no fa mo Samsung Bellized drinks. Me kokofo di e chana engagement yi anu ana ye kwa akonom, anu ana ye su agum. Na say engagement na wedding no etime aye commenting Harriet Akwete e chana wedding no. Ayi meba o de fa me ho but meba enti ya ba ntine Bellized drinks na ana ye de ko aware na se Bella kwansa no maka akofa Bellized drinks e about lemon, pineapple, orange, bubobi na ma be kon kan e de amam nti won no kra mu a no pay e da kinsie mu sam about me din Kelvin Amponteri from AK the boss player Menso Majos na say china all the way Kofodua ya the farm ho but
Masa Kofodua no kwa ne na kwa no china
ne say wedding engagement
kwa no pese wo swafu obi o say Kofodua be na wo shedem
David china
me ba cha wo ka china say brefie na efie wa fra say memma no aya kwa aboni pro
ni de kwa de me mfre sabra
wa beba
so ya jana showa enti ana so china mia madam for pa Harriet Akwete e ware Okofredua enti no me ko ene na ma be china enti no anko ba ware anka be ma de okwo ene sen but me ko na se
ka okwo ene sen
yes bachelor's night e wo enti no
Asanka edin so be konenso wa hye no ho den ko tumi say disappointment bi abamu wo ho
so me ko Ari a nice lady pa
when susu say
nurse ni
eba nurse
nurse ni me na for do na say nurse for say don't need him dada until Harry Are a nice girl.
Yeah, can now Donzi did not quite to asem. Abrate some pen who has him. Donzi to
Okoman Kasa no him.
Ziggy and pen who has him. Donzi and pen who has him. Okore and pen who has him. Ofa baby a dimbia betibia eke maudino.
So they be a mekase abuabia to America. In few crown could to be there, name Jabba. You know. Obi if you come here di. I think Jerry remember but Henry so when you say preparation across come and I mean discuss here no some can say our ready ne kwan want ne friend our ready me too for net but me no aka bibia manasi anya hwe ai nti kona ko enjoy our ready na me so no me enjoy me
me catch it all
the way I okay
there's something in the soup nana there there's something in the soup
and a bachelor's night
ready as a wow ko but em free as a kratwe amemenifi so me hu ni ame
me pe ofuria Amanfo me van hwe agame ko meko na mako support Harriet so nim se me pana asempa onim and the American kind of na ware
asam
I told you so
asam no na da ho no
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes, I'm shining live on my NY. Those of you following us on our page on Facebook. Okoman Kasa Jubedi Sunie. Okoman Kasa, ya Kasa. Ya Kasa mampuntu aba, ya Kasa makan kwaba, ya Kasa mankoswaba. Ya Kasa mankabomu aba biakoye aba. Ya Kasa. Ema yaresaba. Ya pasumujio. Ya pekanko ya pumpuntu. Akropong-Akuapem. Aja. Ahemfo chini ebidi di biechiri. Abuabia dangwa wosuesu abu Apreku. Anape yadi T74 ana yadi tutun yadi ni na woso yadi neguo. Anape yadi bi ateti wo bia. T74 ya the immune food. Yana nanom se obeka yi akane ya kwafuom. Hey chale nipa bro. Otu mi kra ko school anapa wo ba ewia no that time you go school no mie no na wa besin kwafuom. Kope banchi ana body bi ekobubuje bi diaba. Ebura na wakopusa wakofe ebura aba na kire se kotu banchi kakre bi na kire se nyumbre na de ahwe helfa. Wo ba besin akọ school o. Mo manya ne fo na mo de mo nim. Basabda na hoɔden na ye wo ho ni na se na maame na no ma ye dudo bi esi wonom a ane bon se kura butu so ana kapo da so ebi anyuno ebi edi de bon se nkanka ne amba ma ne tarum na eye kanto oya se bi otafregya mo mfa nche me kraman kote na ebi ka ho kraman kote oya kanto Okoman Kra, that is mahogany eni enua bi na ya kika fra wonu mu aho den yanyare eno na T74 wonu madaroma yesaka di biom yo yade bi say kidney disease, liver disease ebia wakuma bo periperi una nteka kra na wabre ebia na 44 no friend na ha ebi no friend ntehwe wa brofo friend na asthma yade ba na ha wo bi tumi posa na nisa obi o high blood pressure obi ni blood sugar wom say higher and mema yen hwe die na prostate enlargement na ha dwele baby na untumi mfa ya oyere kwa na oyem hyehyew ka say wo kombeku aba wo kodwom kwa na oyem hyehyew meba cheo say ye gonorrhea eye syphilis demu yade bia about this why I see Jaimo. Say HIV, COVID, fibroid ulcer, and Krobine 2 cry and qua. And a T74, the immune for the babuao. I didn't body and a baby crying. Atufo mo fra 0246 073 498 0246 073 498 Jet on 050 162 8931 Anabe uni man koto body bi Oka koto body bi udi ejuma endu na nsa na start hunu nyambo ewe na body na say body bi a wo pese ye wawa say ye nyamedua say ye chenchen say ye onya osese emire afram odum okro ani aka wunyina na me ba chao mo sapti ma works for adien na ye papa na me kan for ama no enkonko gidue bi mfanko ye dwumedue bi mfanko board dance so mfanko ye bribi board bi na obasa ye carpentry work bi kakra na obasha na endi na nsa na epro mo sapti ma works se tuanamo na bra ebri Akuapem obana open roofing sheet ebi ho open cement ebi ho wopa puna papa ni free Turkey ni free China ni edi nua ye kama pa obenya bi ho ebri Akuapem ana mo shaft ma works for me pa chao fresh 0243 164 674 0243 164 674 and 0544 988 575 Yewie ni sa onim se Ventures say o the blocks not emu de wo he na ope 6 inches solid blocks and now ope 6 inches hollow blocks Ventures say bra na beje wo de ope gasem cement papa 42.5R wonum wo bi eno nanchen no hey adanse hu no mebia ope se wu ni wo mu din kede wo mbema obi na me de na me pa wo Ventures for kra ne se wonum se o man no mu aye de o mapani kra ja tum se ni o memu odin kakra enti wo mu de manwa na se utuatua ni kakra kra masa one na ase inkasa 0544 364 354 0544 364 354 sabepepe na obetumi so asan so afre 053 498 7122 oneno kasa we wie kura atwada kosi kwesi ada Ventures eye adwuma nti oni Ventures enkasa sisi a no mombo a se oni bebi o mo no se oni mudaachi okwa team ho no Hometown guest house wonom ne janse ne so pe asa no bedu daachi clinic no eho na wonom wo o prepaid dasa unya bi nto fo ani kire honom obenya bi ato Ventures man banka ya bro oba no wanya bosome sen Oya bosome nan ekro dia and ya mesere wo Brainy Eagle Nest Montessori honom wonom baje oba na hwe na bosome nan po wonom baje na hwe na crash out to basic 6 o toddler so honom na o toddler bi honom afane ko because you see it is conflicting with your job enti ade abachi no pese okwa edwuma wanya edwuma kura ba untumi ye Brainy Eagle Nest Montessori say fa kola ne bra kola wanya bosome nan ye baje wo mo ahwomu ye ama enti ade and I hope environment in a very serene, cozy, kamapi, papebi, buama, ubanon education, course, upbringing of the child, security or honamenti, unsuro, or professional teachers. I want to take care of your ward. Brainy Eagle, Montessori, how dear, enquala nkonse yo, enquala eko eye. Location no eben MC's residence. Baby, municipal chief executive netian and China 1 I didn't know fresh 050 162 2513 050 162 2513 and I said 050 162 2510 and I 050 162 2512. Motto, you see, we are eagles. We belong to the sky. We fly higher and higher, and we achieve our goals. Me bacha bamba de na no munya kita odi na mombo na bibia anso enkoso kama. Sumenche. Aba. BDBH why? Of course, in such a year, you're buying for Chinia BDBH. And a payment to me, boys, and I made a or crassy. Tayin Quanta, work for you, dear Honor Medeo Conano pay. I mean, I do a result, home use goods banner, open iron, open blender, open microwave, open kettle, open phone chargers, open bombs and paper demo, open rice cooker and steak pans, open touch padlocks and bowls, anointed Best Buy. I will cross your Tayin Quanta, Cofodia, and your money a papa, and it was so for. I don't tell the person who tell me. Home use goods be out, baby. Open fan, open TV, open blender kettle. When it's real, more crass, Tayin Quanta. Oh, dear friends, 0544 970 330 0544 970 330. Nakojo, dear. Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited. Same country with nano pace. Ope jet, ope kudi, ope ega, ope laja, ope cash, ope kwacha, ope mula. Bebacha, wechi, abra, oko banks ni biana, wa mo toto, mujira hono mo. Me pesika ya padi ya dia, oze fe na kope wo ka papers bra. Kwahwehwe obi na ombedi we jiremu. Ko wa asase wa kofa paper bra. Ebe 1000 pa me pe 2000, 3000 so hunie. And on a Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited, same country zebra. Oh, they also the Atamu National ID card, no Fabra. National ID, no, and no Fabra. ID card, none Fabra. National Identification card, no, say Fabra. One more Bushia, and your friend, I only am better too soon at the end. Posumi and say, China, I mean, Massa, for the children was here. She can't open the school fees. Can't open the school fees, you know. You open the year, you know. Can't open the 2 chow why and your man. One on Bema. I salary loaner. Who's your Jumana jacket to your Bema? What is your problem? And one is our fresh 0302 200 390 0302 200 390 and now 059 692 0833 059 692 0833. No more Kasa. And one no. Why we anyhow? Massa. Oh, try day. Hey, and a him say Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery. Was him to me boys and I mean control. Say a banner, say pens, exercise books, textbooks for all levels. One more golden, one more excellence, one more mastermind, one more best brain. And then in Chrono Bad, then you know a bureau. Teacher's notebook, honum, exercise books, one more J, D1, A1 and C. One more now exercise, one more exercise book CB now. Honum, A4 sheet now, open diaries, open markers, calculators, one more scientific one, the ordinary one more be, one more storybooks, crayons, pencils, Bibles, staplers, and pins, correction fluid, dictionary, set square, stamp pad, writing board, one more essence acrylic paint to Colano. Yay! Was not brushes, and dry a quiet, a copy bit or ye, Nebuan so the form, kama, artist brushes and poster colors. Me pacho. Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery, NHD, Manfi Police Station, Ne nimu hot no share nimu wa Manfi Police Station. And I want my war. So why don't you call 0249 219 599 0249 219 599. Alternatively on 0243 946483 0243 946483. Rooney Bookshop, learning made easier.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Yes, moi, brava.
many bribi amawa. Mami amawa wo brackets way.
Mentor baby, I teach you well.
Senya dream on your brother said they were who are passwa at the frenya sang for besa akwanji wa mananzo ade kunye bufwanku obedi manso wadura nkoni bomo nitina muno nisanu Ima mi abrano senya bata mi abrano and to me can no casio Emi mami yam say can ba bo brapa Why Japan can see you and to me, mamma say, mamma, honey, I mean, yes, and I don't post it see time. I cannot swallow my bottle swap. I believe the I saw he never be see mammy in a cruya. Face so can you watch you are? Nidia Casa says, mamma, Nidia Casa says. I'm sorry, I never I was a milk no ya and ye more do.
A young man says, Sana, no day, Papa be 1 year, what did you musa? Hey, no day, Papa be. And I was saying that then I cause you a latte.
And then Yankopon Roma, Yache, a latte crunty, Benkum crunty division.
Okay.
Yache, a handful bassa. I him ya back.
Wonderful.
A handful a being.
Okay.
Beno. Na near any say just hene and chidom hene. Ana chidom hemia. And tiene Omukakusia actually on mine crunty division.
Okay.
Na afe yajiwatum. Na yedu wajumasha wansa no abeboa kuro nchechire ene amane ne amamre.
Wonderful.
Ti anopay de anya gidi
anya better sa anopay anya better.
Ene meja ho ntem.
Na na beja me ho. Anya hwe.
Uye pe na wa driver aba.
Ye hwe. Ye hwe se ye timi baby na ye beboa na bibia ko se latte de. Ya
lata.
Ya lata.
Ba ade na nika wo mu se office ro na mfiase ho.
No ni asem.
We are one here doing our own thing.
Do our own thing.
Nti yebesere yempen for no say ya ontwa bibia so na ma bibia anya adwobro de ntimi nkoye nim.
Nana they have to because what we need is development.
Yeah, mpuntu ne here.
Na wa say bi otafregya ahemfo mienu etwe na ebusua no etwe na yakwan ya.
Yakwan ya.
Nipa no asetire mu nkoye ya. Na we don't see any development. Emfaso bi ani so. Emfaso bi ani so. Atra na no we dia madawromo.
Serious.
Madaroma. Mo ma yemfa bibia antu echi na yempre enhweka na yempuntuo yempempuntuo
puntuo pa
na unity ni wonom a bi akonya ni wonom a one years ni wonom na if there are divisions ebeda na kro no latte ayei mekai say metiko bi ewokumase na mefrekuo no metie ekobi na metie ewe bi na hia okumase culture asset na wo hwa edom a lattefo a hyekumase Masa, serious. Be a crowd there, Yanka.
The way you know, no necessary show now. Ye create a neighbor environment. Be no
exactly. If platforms be quite a
heavy one.
Amanfo Kakao almost a
I won't bet me the best support or
Nanka. As Ronnie I say, a better than a
Kosoro.
And I'm with you, yes, Madame Roma, Momboy,
yes, Roma. One can one home na one mushroom jay emra na yentimi enkoye nim that no ehwa na efi dachi ye tofo mo a ehwa enti no yesrem pahine mekpa ona koto ewu bi ona dawroma mekpa ona koto papa esi tokoya te ene tokoya twie asumdwete ne epeja oma ne oma yo esibite because ememala esani ye kansi ammo ji problem ane ekabe ene mane a ene mbre yafu be kan ko yala ene be sinte na ene esani ye ka wansi a ammo ji problem ane na so eche na ekekre to ko efe na amo ne amo bebe tuaso nkwajo na le
No. Nti madaro ma monhwe na monboa ye. Na yembonra daily the daily sinim. Na the rubon krata ho do na news making headlines in the daily sinim bi atwetweniti. With me here now is the daily graphic. Jakpasu 2023 best teacher. Waje eyoba waje ne kama Jakpasu Aku Jakpasu.
Wow.
Yes, Aku Jakpasu.
Edino kura mani wini best.
Edino wini say. Edin we one pe udi abobitade a untumi mbo. We uhia ewokle na for 3 day chibi edojivo. Na waye. Anti nimfoni no eda ha. Woba aje ne kama ono any best teacher empeni fortness no ehwe o de man no
Aku Jakpasu
anti ebetimi abase ayasemo daily analyst enso edibazi teachers welfare enhanced under my government omampeni nana adodankwa Akuffo adogagai adusho boy adutintintinti antibandiri
adomankani ye kra
na tu mani pasre o no we easy to say
na we Akropong
fellow Ghanaian mankani ye kra nana bo bagbe bi o anyway nana say teachers welfare enhanced under my government. Nana Samuel can say, oh, Wababa ya obedi mampeni de say ono na banya boama a for a teacher for eko mwenim ewo bibia mu say omo abrabo no wababa siesie wababa ni ye. I'm not a teacher enti minim
mentimi nka anka menim say obebi sa anka me kan ne say me nchira deda me new me nua kura me say okay me nua ba ko na headmaster but on me nka na ketia say but I na ya ketua ni po na no dey papa bi menim say na ba yin so a chirefo bebre strike akoso pa
strike akoso pa enti na chire me say teachers welfare enhanced under my government I don't know. Se teacher ni bi tie yen na onfa nya amanyosem na so betimi aka no kre se NDC ni teacher bi tie yen na no pe betimi aka no kre se oh nana eba ye no kanene bia nioma mo but watoto nioma ye that is no divide of your political party your political affiliation as I say ye ma yo me kai se brebi na minim say nana adodankwa ado nana adodankwa Akuffo ado obetua nurses for allowances bi ekai otua ma omo na I was so glad to see MPP nurses na omo ka say oh wetua eya wa ba yetua obi se me nsaka me de 3 months wetua ne ade enti sa na enye mamoma ye mfa nya amanyosem se na aye na under his watch you know teachers welfare has been enhanced moma yenye ne sa na yenhwe anape ye beko na ye ne Ernest Akosa our Ministry of Education or Deputy PRO ye ne yewra Ernest Akasa na yedi enkomo Kentinka, Wadaroma, Ernest, Machin.
Major Sumini Abema.
Wadaroma, ya dase, penny, waje, when him say, Jumani Dosso, Wadaroma, waje penny say, Unie, Evekasa, and Nanope, Obadie, Unshroud, na on your cashier. Ministry no de Sembia Ba, Yamboni tell. I say, free SHS has not destroyed our education system. Rather, it has improved our education system, according to the Minister of Education. Asemwe eba ya neja obisi ade ya wanchan Minister Maya Tiasia say oh data woni na kire say ni say na yakwa akodro obi beka say enne education system nkola yi makwan a ombedi 2 weeks ofie na omko nkola yi ti o ka say improve na say ya na say na mo pa kire wadaroma yewra Ernest Akosa kire mu bi ho no mo a ene botaye ene ni amugina so amode ka say ya anope ma yehu.
Well, Madam Asakweja de Amami Okoman Radio ne abusa for so much liberty with education. I said the Minister for Education Ekaya no we'll share an education space, and you're making a lot of giant strides. And the area of this, if the learning outcome, because I did be and I say within the education system, so track right from the KG up to the junior high school level, senior high school level. I don't the I was say where I say Akran Sampa, the chain I didn't know what I said, and I said on tears here. And she no Minister for Education, the general say from 2016, 2017 to 2022. What's the results are up banner? Even 2022, then the broadcast unprecedented. You who beat that in the past 8 years, and I said the history of education space, results are about watching you who beat that. And no money of soccer, no. A binum castle double track by a phrase about and compromising the quality of education, but that is the reverse because the research finds says anytime you increase enrollment, the reverse is the case because at the end of the day, enrollment in the cost and then can learning outcomes. And I say can but now that they defy the norm, that person said we have put in place certain measures. And why the message you put in place they say, you know what there 1 man of professional development allowance. I feel the 1 man is 10 million to choose can the amount that can if you can Brown no South Council PLC, Omra no Mushia, PTC, no church, no Muhone Ade, I think the modern way of delivering within the classroom space, young core teachers, and I say English, math, science, then a better brand, so they are more training, what you call the refresher, retraining. I'm watching us sharpen almost skills. As you mean, can't be one teacher per one laptop, you are more almost between a boy, no matter research or online any other. And so when we are normal be bright to say between a boy, Nama and Quarano at the train at the same quantum. I could be maybe a criminal, I could be anyone who are entitled to 1 core textbook. But under the free SHS policy, acquiring your first year, CRIM, the amount of English, integrated science, social studies, and what do you call it? You have the English, math, science, and the social studies. So that's 4 core textbooks. You be a macro. And so no be quite share. So a normal team the results are year. In terms of investing, in terms of Sika, you real city now, Bama, you said 2 point there. Abana, you be renting sounds to 2021, 2022. What's the results in a buy? And you won't be brave because once we invest and we put some supervisory rule, no so air cost over by GS, NACA, NASTI, and I didn't now we have what you call the standard based curriculum. Curriculum, and you see that and you free what the new one I buy and Korana, there, yeah, children. On which you compete favorably. Or we call it the more advanced countries in the so I have no idea who are between a boy, I'm at the 2 point. It didn't sound so about the Minister for Education or can actually Ghana for the Asaf.
Find this na abano actually say ye koye nim ye konkan wa bobro nyoma bako mieniso you've chanced on mwa na aban edeboa akyerɛkyerɛfo. Yet we still hear some of the teachers murmuring. We still hear some of them picketing. We still hear some of them or see some of them demonstrations and strikes and stuff. What did you say? Bibia da nakwemwa akanama we wombetu.
Minya who say be a teacher for because strike and run I say be a also because strike. And minya ti bibia sa. Who say teaching be picketing so you chan the can I know. Teacher for increase. But I've been a teacher before. My teacher gets 16 years, and so I know the salary I was taking then and now. Yeah, so share as a teacher for no sticker 70. I don't know. So improve a cost to be great. Go first, and son, I say, and son, I've been a degree at the basic level. So that is you say we call colleges for education, friend, training college. You see, you are upgrading to the degree level. If you are not going to degree or a diploma distance, the better when you have the be trade. You say you are year top up, a year degree and son entry point. So not National Teaching Council, and to making sure say teacher professionalism so and also more deep and son I've been a and then who's what standard the test of time, what go through the mill, when the nitty-gritty of teaching profession, just will be out and quantity baby as and babbage that they know. It's very normal a big work from Sebaba, Church, Jumano, Ayakono, now more attractive Amobia.
I say someone who says my boss deputy PR Minister of Education Ernest Akosa say aya kono amobia, yet we see a lot of them migrating. Do you think that if they are comfortable in their comfort zone and they will be migrating? Yes, sir.
Call health service, be a doctor, a revered profession. You know, be a doctor, maybe or Colebuniari. But on your opportunity, you can work up.
Then Ernest, yet to me, yebi, Hanuma Janiano Mujani Jaye.
Yeah, so you have to look at the economic conditions. So in advanced countries, UK, US of A, at least you come to think of, say, what are they doing right? As a nation, as a developing nation, I'll say also making sure you put in place certain measures, certain structures, I mean, once the economy grows, definitely. After crying, you're still complaining about your crime. So, in terms of say, you have much in any account, Juma Warrior Home, and Libejigana has seen no. We have a long way to go. Every webinar to be UK, US of Fate now, or Kwakwa chair are there. Sometimes you can't begrudge that person to some extent. But we can say, oh, at least in the panel, Yakwanya, Woman and call. So, so simplistic arguments, so between our making so once our school has a year train had also year Juma. No. A lot of things come into play to ensure, say, anybody may say how so one stay has it.
Now, only this a brain drain.
One, the brain drain, I stand to be corrected, say, we can brain drain whether, how do you justify, say, and I say, juxtapose, Nipane call engine, be the proof factor, and I say, let me say proof factor, I didn't train also. To me, a bus, depending free Ghana, as I UK as a US of and only been a critical. Obu conditions of service number one. Obu at least certain facilities of person to enjoy. But meanwhile, the person is being paid well here in Ghana, but that may not be compared. That's what they compare US of and I say UK and Ireland and the other advanced countries. I don't know what's too baby. Okay. I don't know there. Abana ye baby, but at the end of the day. Let's all work towards say between our economy and grow. Once the economy grows, definitely Abano should be more. They are retaining more teachers, more professionals within the country.
All right, Ernest Metiwashe near Omampeni Nana Ado Dankwa Akropong Ado, the first gentleman of the land, under his supervision and under his teachers' welfare, enhanced under his government,
medical enumerate a lot of things. Yaptimia Buama, Cheche Fosika Samakon Kai. They will have certain challenges in terms of maybe accommodation near there, but accommodation wise, it cuts across. And yeah, you might be Hokana behind or entitled to accommodation. Of course, there was seven be a baby now, so a challenge. So, it's up to say, a bine on a more to be a person drew, and no need to have excellence to cut and now. Baby a baby tree, any baby yet fitty, and I say you take it up from. Ni baby a year corner. That tends to stamp an investment a year education or except I say in your sense to some way. And the teachers were fire hands charge. Yes, it's true. In terms of say at a point in time, who do they have anything like teacher professional allowance? You need to be so accumulative point through NTC, National Teaching Council, where accumulative point. It do so called promotion. There's a promotion interviews at a point in time. Just panel no they believe I instead of the part. Now we sit for an exams or pass here. Brother Brown on near the Abasa and Power Provo too. Assistant Director, so we College of Education. Yeah, Franco started first, I started senior superintendent, no, right straight away now principal superintendent. They said no see Kasemba Kosro. It's when you now can be and a Buama yen additional air conca. We still acknowledge and admit say there are challenges, but in spite of challenges, abani twana mo bebre say you betime drum pempen so I pese drum na boa mo mine ntuma afade ntuma pa efra.
That's wonderful. But in all this, the NDC is saying, in fact, the former president of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, is saying NDC committed to professional development of teachers, not MPP.
Well, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I think that is his opinion. But I think under his watch, I checked it 2 years, and I tried the 3 months. I checked it in school near the Choco Crown Porona, I didn't so be actual. You know, Castle Bano by improving, I reflect on some mistakes, corrected. But the MPP government is on course. We are focused to ensure, say, I can't deal with here, which in the year, Jumani, a deliver on the mandate given to him. So, only the entire his opinion. We say, a politician. In the end, also can be a teacher, also can be not the score point. So, but we need to.
And as yes, I see your bumper, according to Daily Analyst, on the front page, or say. I say, Neoma or no digu akwan so, and Neoma was upgrade the training colleges to polytechnics to universities and what have you, technical universities and what have you, Neoma infrastructure. And no more, in a abwa ma and Nanado Danko Akuffo Kasi.
Governance is a continuous process. You know, he at least which we are taking credit for the no big akwan because you can say will be a started or the first the polytechnics and accommodated to technical universities who also are reverted to the old system. No, it's a continuous process. In as much as no convert here, now we've come back to the point to say, how do we also cushion them in terms of resources, in terms of remuneration?
Okay.
At the point in time, or more, polytechnics, they also complain, they say, Sikasem, and they are the Okoman Kasa, better about improve, no cost strike. Abani tries to beat me halfway. So, way. So, there's one thing of restructuring the process of the system and or restructure and answer which is somewhere we are. How do you also ensure say you retain the human resource? And abide by MPP abide by so twice to say obusika sembia or say demo biano you gusto aye training na kakaka. So that one is a continuous process. But he never touched on the what do you call it, college of education, one converting students and also upgrading to the degree awarding institution. No, MPP governments are 42 across the length and breadth of this country. You train a church for or buy try allowance that they demand nurses, allowance that they teacher trainees, good training in MPP go restore. That is a confidence. That is a government that believes in progressiveness. So who some so because as much as say oh, teacher trainer and that's all teacher. I was say, Drew baby, no man can to talk. I don't come quite burden to your parents. Or so buying foot to that bill. It's MPP abandoned by or take it that bold initiative. I don't know. So about what's about the trust allowances what's the different thing about it. Then I stand to be correct and I don't have any idea about it. But now we are focused in ensuring say I never watch a training, everything a money, can't call, and immediate to quite you between a woman and
okay. Honest, my answer the new curriculum, not a fa academic calendar and it was because I say I can't be fear to one of us. I'll say, Daddy, next I mean by 2 weeks, or say Daddy, Miss Yanko school beam. Hey, also, I say I better not fear 2 weeks, so no, so also and no, I say, you're moving me. Ebri ni so kakra ye hu ni ye anti ka ma ye hu the new curriculum na mode aba no ensaye de beba so nko sisi ye sua de te say UK akwala ekosku na ya wosua na owo US osua ana ye de no sign ne obetumi bie ni a kire kakra na wa kire the new academic calendar ne so na ye hu ni aye kro.
I think we are looking at two things. We have the curriculum and we have the timetable.
Yeah.
Because they all work hand in hand because we need timetable how do you develop the curriculum. Now you see our standard-based curriculum in the year Juma. Now we are in the transitional period. So that transitional period I want to say after COVID, and that's a COVID period 2020, the academic calendar no destabilize kakra. And you know they are consistent with other countries. And you will curriculum when a bit in film what's the results? So that's a what's in Sohena Yetrono. Any other West African counterparts, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Gambia, and other countries, you're training at a time. And so, no, you try, say, you're very ready to the old system, and September, October, then beginning academic year. It's you say, no, you're 50 and say, didn't a man Corano or quite back to back. not 2 weeks. University, not special institution where almost back to back. Say you're making a revert to the old system by September, October academic year and it commences. And say, "Bitch, we are then crying baby now. So no, in your exchange programs abroad." And so they say, "One, she share academic calendar no." Then to me, I see too much. Yeah, that be an answer. Yeah, disadvantage and quarrel mumunya that opportunity no. And the buyer they say no, we are on track. We plead with parents and all stakeholders say, this academic rushing number. You know, fees in we are not saying two books in a day. So the parents should bear with us. We are transitional timetable now, but he said it has come to stay. He said, yes, sir, 1 week, 2 weeks, and no, sir, no, a sign of the past.
But was there anything wrong with the old Ainana?
No, yeah, I think that brought about the semester system.
Okay.
Bosumi 9. And then we now say no, at the basic level, why should we be running such a calendar? And you know that GS they sat down or they thought through say no, let's try everything possible. Now Kaakyire to the old system. You know that you see Ababidua academic year started September, October. Because we had last year, and then started January. They say because yes, I won't see me giddy no that way affected a certain year group. Yeah. And then to the my year in Kaakyire say no, you are reverted to the old system.
All right. You have faith or you believe say reverting to the old system no ebeboa ema additional akonkan na akwanimu.
Well, because we have to, in as much as gather the case, I'm not speaking for the article, but in as much as omo agency responsible for pre-tertiary education, they also engage with their stakeholders. The stakeholders see the input and also they also take into consideration. Yes, you trust the rules in a church here. And I know your baby and your baby do baby. It's a baby I want no man for so baby and your nay into the young track said they also have to fast track the hour to ensure say they revert to the old system. So no, I say no, yet you have baby do old system. And you know, be a general aircon on crowd bedroom music and term no more communists and I say no, Kaakyire they revert to the old system now.
Okay. I quite remember the last time that I met with Dr. Edichum Ewajachi Prams. And he made me aware there's going to be a new curriculum and Obeboa and Colano. And no, but to me, at church, the Wadaroma, say, Bobojichi, if you ask the catcher, I said, then Chebe were in Ginechin. But to me, at church, a new Mapotin, a woman, and Moya, and then Sakraya, a bit to me. New
curriculum at the senior high school level or at the basic level. I need to get
at the senior high school level.
Yeah, and also cost will be brave. BBC say also be elective science, and I say general science, and they party physics, chemistry, biology, and elective math. And no new curriculum. Na kwa no konko is on inter science game. Nti no another art subject. Be social studies syllabus. So social studies topics na wona. They don't and dwell on us and Kasa even the history about Ghana. So we have social studies, and I don't know one be art student or geography or history, pure history. I don't know. Only much about even Ghana, the nation Ghana. Only know something about Africa or West Africa. Now we are talking about after. The common trade, trade amongst African countries near the now Okoye maybe a science student who are engineer. Now Crowdy baby a Kenya only baby friend is Namibia then is a source of worry. And so they say no won't be elective mass and yet call mass.
Okay.
Yes, we elect a call mass, you also inter science. It's the other subjects the bit by exposed to other things and so on. And we have STEM schools now. At the senior has STEM schools, I say they're also running what you call the career pathway courses. A 100% that you will be an engineer, a person will be aerospace engineering. That aerospace, and then the young mark run, you introduce at the basic level, so at the senior high school level. It's called the rudiments of engineering, basic engineering. It's a crowd no tertiary level. No, you're saying the year can introduce you to aeronautics and I say robotics.
Yeah.
Right from the onset, and that's about this senior high school level. Akwananya exposure into that. It's a no and normal. You didn't go acquire say between us changing the narrative, having regard to the existing one.
Mibra, you're changing your me, who Akadia no hot dear.
Akadia bit to say the impacho.
Akadia bit to say, Bia, said the Ukaya, Kolai per se, Ebia. Ye bibi about robotics osia ye bibi yemfidie enoma ebeboa obi pese we engineer at the senior high level no ye wo nyoma ebetime de akyerekere wonom practically because as ye de na kwakoye theories anti nipa no free hanum na wokodu amanone a odu wonom ase ne wosu anyina na kwakoye bukum se bo san ekọ school no biem ansana.
Oh well, in terms of logistics side, it's the practical level, no, so no, they provide. Now there is a Kuwait government who provide that's almost labs, science labs across the country. A lot of schools are benefited about Eastern region, which is Apreku girls, Akuffo, pass. Benefited. Any host of schools within the Amanfo girls. Yeah, the schools will be now benefited. I don't have the figure here. I don't have the list here. Because as much as I watch science, you know, the practical aspect, they play major role. Say I could be chair CE. And to no cost term schools, the normal yakika wing in an abiding pro facilities in Wayim, yesterday, STEM schools. Abiding should make provision. Last graduate tell me graduate we not we graduate. Yeah, Abomosu. You have the STEM road show, any Ministry of Information, Honorable Okoman by Minister for Education, Industrialist, AGI4, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Kwabo Amunina by we have a shared experience. So the STEM education is a way to go. Because the church they say Juma your fashion your manum every universities airpay. Applications so therefore when you man so you say skills say no mope now can skills there you man no here no na e fa be dey atosini
okay
just the team realize educational system no let me meet the industrialist demands. Other than that you be straight to there certain courses where I don't dey and you are there between aboa am mining can kwaya hwehwe no etimi aboa da be beka so graduate unemployment but if graduate unemployment name mum na misplaced priority in terms of your courses na you run at the tertiary level.
Okay. No, and I because your baby course in the crana, age man or crana, a day quack, na a beanie honum. Na quack, bansa. I don't pay ura and as Akosa, our deputy PRO at the Minister of Education. Ya better was say, Obre and Wadaj. I would try winya and in Tremua, dear boy, and Pamela Tino maybe as men I'm in TBS, but wait to me, I change the maybe a many, Amame home, and no my back one, I mean, I pay better was say, Obre and Wadaj.
This was the opportunity at the Okoman.
Sure. Well, Ebusia Yakoya and your Bob Remo, the Minister of Education, the Deputy PRO, and the train come Yura and Esther Kosa, and a baby and your man so a day actually a nanope. Also, hello. We want to have any idea.
Mrs. O, as a home this year. So, who will be not say. One in the Saswa, that's a woman whom no Asia. We say, Trona say, the Spirit of God in us bear witness that we are the children of God. And to wish you be not one in whom we share. Obi and baby, I want to 2 years. Obi on this year, and fat. I ought to continue film no aboka. What you call Scooby, Utibi was not far at the amount when we say. Because I before the house, so now nipa oshishomuno enya ano pense wadi nkomoni yura akosa say waka niye so man ho no mo a da bia me ka say oman a emu nipa ko school no mu ni adwuma ye no better than wo man ko school ni bi kura we say acid the color and Coca-Cola say it is one ko school na unim sent wanko ebia wanye science kakra unim sent say me se niema okoto say acid wan be fa no
say ebia sisi bebre be kai time already was it na mama wo he confirm no chi na Federal Government Hospital obi kono ma acid ignorance because oni say education onim bibia onim the color onim the scent nothing
enti me de bia me come asem bi say oru Akuffo ado aba osi obi anko school free and when she says, Momodia Kobi, I saw Bush opening Babu. No, say, media mean Jemewu. No, as I saw, Monfan that in Clanty and Ramaja assassin was with the envoy. Now, so nobody had an emperor somewhere. irrespective of niema e koso ni ase teacher fo be call himfa ni oman yen dia na ye chichire oman yen dia na ye chichire ye be sere mpanyifo o kasa o cheche ni mamu ni ade niema e be ye ma teacher fo emfi ye man yi mu omonye
omuko
ya ya wonim eno anadwo eno na jame hwe ade bi ababa wa bi wo is it Belgium sabi o de defunu onya 86,000 cedis a month.
Undertaker?
Yes, Undertaker. 86,000
euros.
Yes, a month. What the bag Ghana is kemwa? 860 million. And so we Ghana hanumu. Na se sebe. Obeja ejuma adechire na ko Undertaker e wa ye abruchiri na wanya se skana. O ka se ne euro akosa ache fantastic. Ba futu obi ani wono mu a obetu na obeti. And then yara obeko. Ewiase ba bi a teacher for akatu aye correct part is Finland. And you offer the teacher ni wa Ghana ha na ojim fan say 2,500. Na Finland yesi womra no majim fan say 5,000 cedis and 7,000 cedis a month. Yet it's in BBA free one no be 4,000. What is that? And you know,
anya bad.
Yeah, anya bad is paying for interest and you ko say
so implementation.
And only a brand to be kasa asunaba. Oh, teacher ni. Yeah. Ofo say okasa be nyan yen regional minister onya adechire. Yeah, Amanfo ni jai.
Okay, the boy, aka anape mayanko na yene ovra Alhaji Abbas Moro Nkasa wa industrial relations officer Emma Ghana Private Road Transport Union na yantwetwe nkomo na no pay emfa no fuel prices nsem ho ekosoro eba from ye dey Alhaji salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Na mpomu tisen
boko master
Yoruba dey ase Alhaji ye da ase waji bresa on ye twetwe nkomo Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Kasa jubedie so anope ma yenhwa Alhaji be na se ne ye hu se ye fango ye hu sensem obehwa na emu epeja kakra na emu epeja no e de ani tutu fam nso a let me be specific style no na onu mbom rather wateso ne de ani so abafom eba ne say ye fango hu sensem na ye teso adechira ye bafom and say meanwhile we've been told to say we are exchanging gold for oil then e koso o wakwakoye GPRTU penia wadaroma wakwakoye industrial relations officer bibi ho no mu amaye hu
ye da wa say ye check for me say ye be tu ye ashanka for so ye be tu omufo for no enyo bia for na ye of a high standard ye mbo bidding I be say ye say obi ejuma but who ashanka no fuel na uka no performance that determine fuel kwa water no and the yension no so
okay
secondly transport operations no and your fuel sense no na the running transport and the new lorry fare beba share lubricants share documentation permit taxes insurance na share fuel no akankasa share spare parts when we now contribute to asana to make out and person na wakai yes we animsha hu trewo o man no fa and the last discussion ya to my one now we were emphasizing on Namadia, you feel say let's see a loose fan go no so a bema price no paper from kakra a bema yezuma no high kakra nanka lorry fare no po to so because the cash now ya the yezuma no me bra this one say one no more na ya dey fa ya bushwa for ya kwada mo cost na dey for and I ya ko say Yamamu asesa baby ayawai yatumi pangunu mosu kakra maya anka no be boye no in any case the non ko ye there and they will have no choice. It's two lawyer firm and fena yabekwa akosi akonya yesi akonya yabe mu abano yabe san di mu abe di hun komo
Alaji money why na ekwa akosi akonya money the transport ministry and assessing
Dabe yeah, transport operators normally share na ya fa hu ajui they are not doing then I juma no decline yeah na ya na Akropong-Akuapem Senebeya the assembly babu Apontia will be in a very good position to defend whatever the babu
All right. Alaji, your fuel prices are that of the super, that is the petrol, the super, 13.49 and diesel at 13.95. Assuming without admitting, say, Kobasi Jiraho says, Yente so, Nobama Kwaima, Mato, Asentia de Muana, transportation first, no matter Muana.
Yes, Ada. Then, yes, sir. Economic situation, other components, spare parts, now, people need, fire, raising could be here, young to me, and they are two lawyer firm, yet, well, per se,
okay. Now, as I make job work on Alaji Moro Cabribi, also, and ya fango na quality no. And papa. I think I mean MPA for Asia make home office. They also directed me to Standard Boards and I met with them. One I almost pumps and I say machines and I say if you are having a quality fuel or not. I didn't be more okay. Do any bisu baby? No enkoyana.
That and also Makaka say that mean me cry me and but me, our advice, no we saw fuel or baby, the fuel quality, no, and the performance of your vehicle.
I see. But the OMCs, sir, they have a regulator. There will be a regulating the OMCs and also making sure, sir, the oil marketing companies, Fango or Montebasa or Moto Free Ghana, sending a Noa Ghana, sending Chronobani Nano, Anka Ebe the standard Anka Yepe. Even I've been told, sir, for the past 3 or so months, Yanka say dear Goyle, Enya fuel that, and to almost so a different crofobia and almost Tomaye. Information way, GPRT for Mati. Musum, when say,
yes, no, sir, but the coil in particular, no, or Muammar, that's top fuel, no, who says no matter what the situation, no, or most of what chemicals, two fuel, Muammar, there are more fuel, no, it's of a very good standard, which I know. What in America, the
Yeah. Meko MPA ekoshia penia oda ano mene alaji mu edin komo mene omutu anamo ekoko place bi ehona me hu say go for fuel no it's of a very good quality but now akwa say I say
it is true anokware pa.
Oh yeah, me yes anhwehwe mu no pa said e wo can as compared to but arahosome e wo me say okay no enye was malaji say afutu obi wo ho a ode be ma hyenkafo na no pay a fama on na efi yenja na kotwa
afutu no ya be ma hyenkafo ne your clients are here passengers no who say on the as long as you to me nothing say konkoko abuna can also on the porto no investment wire on the port driving also ejuma also oil midnight say yes to say baby be from abano say assembly bana here come on as passengers no muntie na the ban so mon cabe maya. They are part of us. No monsoon cabe maya. Yeah, I shank for no sianya but there. O money there, yeah, Nikana or baby, and Satia baby, yeah, now I shank for no push, almost push on me up, but then my paying for no. Send a baby, a baby, the papa. Yeah, na ebenya ho. Kakra mekanu.
Alaji ebeda wasi ade pay obre na wadaje echa GPR to ejuma ko mba nyina nyame enhirawo. All right, yakọ ne ne Alhaji ekotwetwe nkomo. Alhaji eye obi a industrial relations officer ede Emma Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRTU na ono ene edinko na no de yehwank de rubon krata hodo on so nsemba ku mienu miense bi na yembo ne tew na yenko ba ku bi a aba it is coming from the Daily Analyst na enim hanom eno makan wi yenko the Daily Guide or say I won't resign yeah NDC BOJ Governor Tango I won't resign but BBC edin say bi aba say in fact the Central Bank oboka last year a car Central Bank ne boy no sikano eso ye no eno mo can say no as I say otumihwe na or resign how Ghana Central Bank lost 5 billion in 1 year according to a report by BBC. I don't pay yes you resign. Dr. Nessa Addison. Almost say Oma Ghana Central Bank a Bokado. I say Chiake who born dog from Dodua Forest. I will not resign.
Well, me man Jumaye. Sisi ya mission is on resign no so on resign I mean who to me bia. Onipa ba ko pe ene wo to me Ghana ha say obeka kire ni so on resign. By the way I boka no unyanka ebeka kire ni so on resign. Nanso se yanka sanso ye hwe se ne ade ne ete na se ka no ekoso a wo obi adwuma se hwe na ye mame na hu se tambia no e ka no so simfa so na eba no a the best thing is obeka kire nse si form na ye need to me a obeka kire nse on si form de na so no atu no fo ana se o mampani hu no hwe se ampase man ordinary on competent ana so yan competent so ohun se emoa enye so obi na ka kire nse o mampani si ni form because one Kasa say ekobonia ekotia government ekotia Ghana for no ekotia wa memwo nti say ohwe na say eboa wa na say obe keep no won keep no so a ebre no so beso no one Kasa obehu say wadi wa bro.
All right.
Nipa miensa yetu amoka pa o Ghana ha no Bank of Ghana penyini
yeah
Cocoa Board penyini Blaster coach
yeah
nipa miensa omo mu je ketua kese pa o Ghana omo na o hwe dis sectors miensa nyina obi ani wo bo no ho moden obi am bo no ho moden o sa ba bi etua nipa ka kese pa no obi ani wo bo no ho moden gise wa ho mpe no kure
yeah
me da bia me ka me radio kasa me MPP ni me nyina ba bi nkap se me papa ne dambotwa because this guy wan jen Mitimi ka asem no man friend na ka jense sini oba ne ka jeni asem ebo a mo meka na miti
ba sa odem se no kura so na wo ka
no kura na meka odem se no kura na meka papa yo te Bank of Ghana no kura ni nyame ani omo ne homode na ba ko bi wo ye krom da krom da ko kire wono mo won ne homode wa mbo nyina park da kro nim ye twa ho te sa boy e kwan ko ni fie nya so amo ne homode enti enye we nkwa na mo ne homode won si fam enye obi kwa e ka jense papa o mo homode o si fam BBC ababeka BBC British Broadcasting Company.
Yeah.
It's a corporation. Yeah. Why be never America? Yeah, EBT.
One more year, a lot of research.
Yeah.
Work. One because ya kwa jiska wo IMF ya kwa bob na ya kwa je grants na ya kwa jiwe. One more na ya boka 5 billion dollars. Adan.
Obibini. I think breathing. One of the prime ministers na yire. Nisika ebro so I think say 20 pounds, say 2 pounds. Or resign here.
About resign.
Ya hanu mu di eden ko a musu mu nyina mutu kwa aburochire ekosua omu
omunsia omoko enjoy. I'm telling you menim ebia course a aban na nadu danko Akuffo ado aban amu wo kwa ye nim se wonom ekọ conference no de do na fufuo fie. I'm telling you.
Okay.
About downtown Manhattan, New York. Amanfo de Amanfo, woman na fufu onom, and omwaje a hotel dia ben. One was a per diem.
Second time meet here same way ni because we dey work with me. Mo fa ba ko skido. O say kwame, company for no mo ba bruchira. Yeah, Jan we dance on be do Hanoma. Until you best so no one misade na oyeno enko ye yempese sebi daachi bi obetiana papa waba kokra yesi ade ne kokocho sene ajopuni ene waba homjim onam court ocha abede kwa na wabusuafo ene watrase afa adwene ene ti sene oyeno empanyifo minimum konta minye good one te babro dia babro ni radio dia nka utusia no watuasia womanim konta se onye ye dia onzi famwe
no yafa we entwato na yempeja yimo okay John Dramani Mahama wakabi osi we are committed to investing in teachers and I know your Ghanaian Times na or there but niembo we till say yeah mama o mampeni dada amapaba Akuffo ne doire mama Teresa na we free me now share Daily Post o say Papa John Dramani Mahama flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress on in penny for the nim hanama one ma call mampeni dada amapaba Akuffo nchen one Okoman shedding due ewo honom yen kan me enum na yemfa empeja yemo
shede mano akra ayediem se yemfa owo nya nipa
asemo
yemfa owo
akra teacher training college adasumu for 6 months one more deka 530k ECGRS into a chomu kanem for 6 months a teacher for the touch na esu ade
the director na oda no oyeden oda ho oti ho oyeden by this time
na director ni say obi na ede ni si ho ana
obi na ede ni si ho enti na me bisa say oyeden wo ho by this time Esanka by this time ya twina se afi ho de na kogina mra no na mra ni need
awe bi de na aya meye analysis bi asori any politics me analysis bi a kire omo nyina yepe me na me ka kire
awreho
enti oda ho ti ho by this time
achechire for no omo ginchire na adasu for 6 months how do omo phone touches touchlight na esuan de
enti by this time ni oda ho no director no and an assistant nem painful eda dwumadi na no nyina no what are they doing there you see enti say wo ye o mampani ana wo ye pani na wo supervise we nyina na still asani ama we eda ho ekoso ewo wa mamu ma kan hu say it is not going well with the people enti we sade we teacher fo uji say e de ben pa no mbenya na akomapa ne adwempa no mbenya na mde asua de it is not well enti maza we enti sanka obi ka kire o mampan na nado say papa hwe na sankrofo no yiwadi eso yiwadi sisi simple nanka wafa nipa foforo akọ ne kwan a wode wo afa 6 months no say you prosecute wom because
omoda sumo
enye fine
bad all right nana ya di besi ya na wakotwa ejuma ni so na ya hwenda ye walate
mate midi kan ya momra
mate ye dase nana odai papa bi ena yete ne nka no efafo asa ne bekwa kofa dwedie nka to aba no ma men kai wo se ene anope ende ya ekuamoa ene ne mantina ye bre me ka ekuamoa ye furu kotoku eboye nimu na ye furu nso ne ope ne wan fa ma na etime de how kese ede ebrew enti anope me kai wo se fu eni kiremu se ope fufuo edie omutuo konkonte ope enkwan papa bi like soup with all kind of meat ope nentwia obenya ope aponchia obenya ope enambia ope bia obenya fish bia ye wa benkwan katenkwan ebunebunu green no ene ye ka ho nyina me pa cho enso nyame ye choba oforiwa choba eno no oforiwa o se chop didi good so oni manfi bypass wono mo apostolic church e chire wono mo ho na wono mo she for reservation no be se obekọ ya Yesu ama okama dada open wire nwanwo mi pembre yanwambre nguma no ma fre 0242 017 553 0242 2017 533 na wako di ofowa Monka books and stationery say men kan kira o say bra Monka my heart o say esanse wo dana kuma hunti obese wo boa wo ewo obiri bie when it comes to books and stationery until o say wo mo wholesale opedudu etu akwa akoton obenya bi honom ope ba ko mi ni bi nso aton so obenya bi honom wo mo ewo pens pencils erasers calculators notebooks exercise books and ekeka ka ho bebre A4 sheet opa obenya bi ewo honom until from basic up to senior high school there be biasa no de wo mo ono mo dinkita ho a obenya bi wo mo rane promotion bi kura ko na akoton ne o ma wo mo ma branded t-shirt branded caps, pens, school bags, and many more. One of them Old Court, Akropong-Akuapem, Old Court, one of my adjacent, one of them Frewon 0551 829 365 0551 829 365 and I say 020 722 5048. If you adape ya kwa Akofo dwedi nkrato na yedane ye ho ba ya ne the commander Richard Efo Todia Etonam aka Blibo Eastern Regional Youth Organizer for the NDC. And then we come eba sisia.
Esiene kaja yaseda. A refrain woni pa ho.
Bro, Kojo, obey exams na we twa no yopo say. Na ifa na auto ne textbooks no efi.
Many abia, me bay adusua fapim enyina ejina Runis Bookshop and Stationery so. Say open exercise books, textbooks, calculators, mathematical sets OB. Obaketu ensu a enche obehye suku asi. Orokwa na ni wakwa akoto ni crayons, color pencil, sketchbook and afin so no eye eraser na ede yafi Runis Bookshop and Stationery.
Enti me ba panyi owo secondary school nens no men den.
Insuro Runis Bookshop books edema mofra efi nursery Akropong senior high school nyina ebi na aso ye obaketu enso na nursery no eba ni crayons, color pencil, erasers and afil sharpeners oko Runis Bookshop and Stationery onsabeka.
Hey sir, na ifa na me hu Runis Bookshop and Stationery tra kwan.
Runis Bookshops and Stationery ewo Kaakyire police station no anim hope and afre no ewo 0249 219 599 0249 219 599 and 0243 946 483 0243 946 483. Runis Bookshop and Stationery na wama humesia ayete. Money oh, hey, money
me pa nene de me adma miskin say black spots G-menim boss na me read den so aye basa we jamia rewo any adwendwe kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of products ma'am glutathione ni collagen component a ewum ni siesie honam no etiani na mani ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti emane ha okra Gluta wide sebenhia wamma me read de aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu.
Offla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Offla Construction Limited Company in penny for say. Enya cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomodia the weni choma share. Gubenya eya building equipment. Sambi person do call site ahodo. Concrete product. Anafei. Supply abo anya. Anafei bibi biara wo pe bia wo building site wo. Kaiser so dia into real estate development and so. It would dino person wo peja in tempa. Wo fra Offla Construction Limited Company. Wo bejo so. For any chino obosuma sie Akuapem. Amonochrome Akuapem. Kofoidia Asunjay Junction. Wasabeka Offla Construction Limited Company wo ho. From I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 9012 954. Woko social media handles in nyina eye Offla Construction Limited Company. Wonsa erekomo kaisa omo ye free delivery. Baby awo bi emfa ho ye de bekwa akogya on tempara. Se enya Offla dia and there you are not building. Kayo se Offla Construction Limited Company. Your property our priority.
Minua, afi ma menka me remu mu aso ahunu a menyaye wo Safari Valley Eco Park in Trail. Emra ye duro pe akwantifo akwankyerefo a won akokwa egiye nde yemfa akwan a yebefa so nya so ahunu mu na ngye yi. Na remu mu ne twa ye won hia fiti mra ye ra pa ye no no. Ye humo bi te se zebra, sable antelopes, crown cranes, mara, silky chicken, emus, wallabies, deer, ponko ene mo api na ye ntumi nkan po. Akwantifo akwankyerefo no kan remu mu no won ne ye ne sanya woni won dinkita hunu nsem pi kire me baba ni manwe aduane mpo na dadamfo pa ni zebra no ya kompetansi wonsio ne so afi na ya bre nti ya gi ahome edi ewie aduane wo bebia ho ye feyi na woni enije we ni dwumadi nyina bo hya ase afi 250 Ghana cedis na eya kwama mofra mu ndi mfiensia hyasa be baba na nti ahwe enre mu aso ahoni we ma ye nije strong ko ebeda ya koma so yankwa na nyina na mentimi ntwen se mesan mechi akosra Safari Valley Eco Park bi.
Safari Valley Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature.
Take a sip and taste Jewo Bell Ice Lemon, Pineapple, Orange, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer in one pop peppy. Na enjoy. Kaise, Bell Ice and what PET plastic bottle mono and what 8% alcohol and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer and what can mono and also what 18% alcohol. Nom Nyansem, one Toma Nipa, only in fear to watch it, and Sessa Apem for Nom. FDA, Ajidredian Kratoi Atom. Bell Ice, Mephilia.
Another quality product from Bell Aqua.
Ayuko. Me mamunyina Ayuko. Me makana for Ayuko. Ya from Nana Kwame Perry. Ubeti me from the finest and meme nyina ka chwe ne me. Ayuko mre ye dwumadi ofufo bi kra eba wa kwemu e wo Okoman 97.1 radio so efiti joda ekosi fiada. Pramoto pepepe me tira mide ekosi 2 pm. Ya de nkomo mre be bro. Apomudin sem afe ye bediga na fe ya kansem ekoso. Mo mudi o ma woda ene me nche na me no enka na feferfe e wo radio so. Kayo eye Ayuko nwaje me se ye ya from Nana Kwame Perry enemy share
you know say I be complete man now you matter it for my mind.
Okoman Radio 97.1 FM ye doye tie for ye pa ne senti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bi biara ene nwumaku aworo se wo pese ye bo ne ma wo dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa anasa wo ye sofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra anasa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Okoman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefrɛ ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246875 Okoman Radio ana okriape mayano
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman,
Of course, I love this one from the camp of Abrantia Machi the day. And he calls this one Sikane Bema. Of course, money is all. The Inya mi free horma Sikane ye bibia. The Otuana Sikenu Botomwa Uti etise udwanti. Teyro ho bo homade. Nyaskani bia Bella is hono mutumeno nombi. Flavors ne doso lemon, orange, pineapple, vodka mix and many more. Ebia trust biano, boys, girls. And the jail will be ano. Ayana your Bella Eyes. The Bella Eyes. Another quality product from Bella Aqua. Me Philippa Bella Eyes. Yemia yeni. Naya bobra. Ebusia sika ene bema. And I have with me here in the studios of the commander, the coordinator, the director, the boss himself, the commander Richard Etonam Todia Efonyakon, aka Blibo. Of course, the Eastern Regional Youth Organizer of the NDC. Everybody come on. It's 1-on-1. I think come on, Babadi, no. Yabasha and Samni Dosso. But you begin in Macon. Free SHS are not destroyed our education, according to the Education Ministry. African government must demonstrate tolerance to corruption, intolerance. Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition. Sandwiched by Barima Infum, Deputy IT Officer in the constituency. Also, Odro George Jr., Deputy Youth Organizer in this constituency. Akropong. Hey! Commander! Now, at the say?
Abribia Hobisa me, sir, question, you know. Oni me mu aye deda.
Ahone de wo.
Nyankopon de ne dia ma me. Ne mfra ma na me mu. Moja di me mu afurusane. Enso pie fi me mu na ba me honam mu a me botom se mu a na mu adin.
Sir. Is it because onye adwuma ntira
different from all there no?
Onye adwuma ntira na.
Me no mienu nyina ye kɔ. So boy emfa.
Boy emfa.
Ubenya be wie na de dokono ne nkruma ne mego ne nkinam kakra bi be fa na sika ne nyina.
Obi so favorite pa na wabo boss no.
Nano asem bi esi o akwatia. Obi ka ne banku. E wa bonten na. Banku na kakra na ben. E na ne phone e ringe wo inside. Okofa boba no bi abetam banku ne that is any nyina ko.
Serious.
I'm telling you.
And it tells you something.
It tells you the height of hunger in the system. A komwa a war o my Ghana ha. Me Philibi, u Philibi. Ne omo mo ye pro.
But won't you this Amanfo na page ma?
Me say adwuma no wo hen wo Ghana ha. 2019 me call UK. Me yesa me call ye adwuma. Me friend me namfo for bo mama ne so me pese me be ye adwuma akra. Me do mo ahemache 4:30. Me PF ho be 10. Anajo me call party. Ade echi anopa 10 na me ye adwuma.
Enjuma no ho.
Yeah. Ade echi anopa 10 na me ye adwuma. Adwuma no tua me £10 an hour. Me ye adwuma 12 hours a day.
Wow.
£120.
£120.
Me mama ni ho, me papa ni ho, obi mazu.
Obo hard.
We bo hard brutal. And so Ghana. Adwuma no way.
Don't you think say it is because they are more advanced than us?
That is where we have to aspire to be.
Because I also have a year. Say, what do bag is you on more? Would do MK melting case? What do bag is you on? Man, was starting.
Melting case. Grade say you man Bugana for you.
And they are dosso.
Ubenya baby.
Who do bag is you now? Oko.
Me say me was sad story. I mean, can my phone strika.
Okay.
Some year ni bre wa juma mu ama sika no be say me sesa ni nyina bi. Enti me twa cleaning bi wa baby. Cleaning no me start no 8 p.m. Ma pon no past 6.
Wow.
And I'm saying trust security be a minya no weekends.
Okay.
It's one time security adwuma ne cleaning no ehia e. Minya security be a say me ko ball bemozi.
Okay.
From enumere 5:30 to anajo 11. But at the same day no so me cleaning from 8 p.m. And I'm saying me ko ball security ni yeden. Embra na me ball cleaning ni eti bi me check cleaning ni nyina. And I'm a call Bemozi. I bought na owner of the cleaning company in me because me report it or
yeah.
It's me I'm find a corner ball 11 I'm a point I just me trying to train bra. My shimmy tie. I'll show me coat tin and me check.
Okay,
and then me boot me defeat security ever. And I'm say cleaning company owner no sure say e be a member man ban so be lusu na juma.
Akropong.
Ono akasa ba ya oyi rubbish near the idea or gym ho. Nti mi remu no I say ni bufu me no ohun me na say bra be wo
ya Ghana
ni ma me be sister but I say bra because her dressing now me dressing now but na me die if you adwuma foforo
na eba
you understand that is how beautiful it is utimi ye adwuma wa ha utwa ho nkire da that is where we want to be. I can hold a menu ye amanyo yes Ghana amanyo sem say a bit me 2 pempen so bebu no benya alternative in terms of job say oye adwuma we na onye satisfied o ho kwan say otimi dane na ni hwe adwuma foforo
yeah
and so one hwe ye Ghana ha no mo a we teacher ni a obe kira de akozi say Yankopon beton sade afro. That is not an economy that we have to be happy about until say ye bedu some pempen so Ghana economy no amayen vagaries of opportunities. Amayen alternative. Emebu no oye adwuma we what so meja adwuma we I'm doing this job. I've changed job. It's a common language of richly. And say we adwuma mpo say ansa na we nya adwuma foforo. Oye adwuma etua no £12 an hour. Obo an so wasesa no oye adwuma etua no £15 an hour. Yeah. That is where we have to get to. And baby o man no enam no ya bo ya nesa amanyo abrochire die no
abonsa
but
say blibo abrofwe one more esim na yensim o omo bedi so for so many years yeah and I want to mark nti wo mo ntoto ye ne wono mo nhihye no yentimi fa ye ho ntoto onum sa
ye fe de say omo mpo de omo dwenye ena omo siesi omo de ye de omo siesi ama ye hu nti ye wo evidence Kwesi Broni for kwan we so and yeah nti nya fe kura na ye kwadwua kwa chire we should just pick what they did and implement it here.
We should just pick what they did and implement it. So implementation has been the problem. We've not been able to do that, achieve that. Think outside the box and do what we have to do.
Exactly, not within the box. Think outside the box.
Outside the box.
There are a problem with the ages of presidents in this country. And me feel say do baby as I say a constitution and got angry it me sacre mu kakra. So I say papa a teacher ni o chirade. O chirade no this 60 years ontimi nkyere nkola makomako 40 ade o classroom bi monko ahomegiem. Pacho so te ase 60 years onko ahomegiem because we believe say na adwan retarded or bre the capacity so ate. Now the Ghana nyina kwa 79 so what do you expect?
I say unto me yana.
Evidence no na da enemy. Man penny was signing out that yeni man penny na me na ba kwa.
Yeah, man penny.
Yeni bi Akuffo have signed out as president. I'm telling you.
Oh, Ghana, you man penny
was signing out on your president.
Oh, your president.
On your president.
Our president.
Your president of Ghana.
Yes, we do have president.
He has signed out. Akuffo na kumem. Was signing out on your president.
But some country, I don't be country Ghana for.
But be there.
But Ghana for the two Abamano. And you didn't be see Akunyane so. And I'll be country Ghana for say my brain to me some more. Oguso some.
Say Yankai Rollins, dear cry, be kai ko form reso. At a point in time, be out President Kufonka. One thing in Kakra meet the press every year. Oshia press.
Yeah.
Now chire mu niema ekoso of finance, niema ekoso of education, niema ekoso of from or chire every year. President Mills betwaso. Enti abri bia na yete mampanyin fonka. And into yete mamunia, the voice of the president alone gives you some hope. Say bibi koso. In fact, Oko Yuka every week as a prime minister about parliament, no be responding to prime minister's question time. Sa system no and a shet mamufo and crying say Mampenino knows what he's about doing. Ever since Akuffo is president, has he ever met the press? Oh, where's you? When your opportunity,
but me name say Oshia press.
Onye bi what chap meet the press.
No,
And first one now, refia. Ubi Benadavle Bizan economic question or say finance minister answer. You Bizan road or the road minister answer. It is the presidential meets the press.
But
oh
yeah, sure say Ophelia.
We
Jai.
When was the last time you heard about Akuffo on the government on the economy?
Oh,
Kaimi.
Oh, I quite remember Nansemu baby or Bejitu Okaye Obejitu me so on one say no memoir day.
Nti no before fro.
But one bo be adin so before from there.
Eti jemu ehwo na make sure say the president
so you believe o jemu say
admit say adwuma no ontumi nye wa send it out.
Ghana for na to abama no. And you and I know say bre 4-year tenure. Enti wakwa for we asai Ghana for asai de amano enti 8 years nso ye onje mu sen
baby o say na kodu
onje mu fa ma hwan
baby o say nanu ya last this year ya Boris Johnson resigned as prime minister and Tory party no ede Lestros ebai Lestros promise in fact no kwa na finance minister no finance secretary no ye Ghana
yeah
Kwaku. After 45 days, or say, Ejuma no so say no. Promise or promise here, no. To me at TV. Enti ebu ni die kwan so woman in mine. Watching on what tia sign. Ompo from Rana Rishi Sunak ebai. You understand my point? Yeah. That is a healthy economy. But Akuffo now all standard
in the history of Ghana, when we say baby says that.
As I say to me, see. And you
Africa, not even Ghana, Africa. What was the BBC says that?
Any no, I thought Dokuno 5 city.
And you know, now Dokuno has the work I have pa because
who's that make one from?
But it is true.
Mr. Madam for you did 3 or no 2 so no train no di first no did train 3 city. It's 15.
Opejanda there.
Opejanda to fools keke o.
Did Dokuno ma
come cry the too much. Hey, Dokuno 3 15 cities. Dokron 3. So imagine.
I was sans my better Dokron 1.
Enchina monka hu. Shinka hu Dokron 3 no. 15 cities.
Okay. It's almost 3 minutes to 9. Blibo, Richard Etonam Nyako, Eastern Regional Youth Organizer of the NDC. Blibo, let's go straight to the point. And I pay my yansha. Na yansha Sembia, PAP. The Education Ministry has come out. Yeah, saying, Amanfo can Sembi say, free SHS no about say education system no and then asefo amanda nkola ne kura no kwakwochura omuntwa nkola na bon uni nkola ne kura no hia ne hanom a o say na ya makwan next time we be hia no o say na ye school nti ase asay no it has been destroyed. But the ministry has come out saying no, it's a lie, it is rather the opposite. The education system no ejna ne so, and they also came with empirical proof say with data say ejna ne so wo sha mo kwotro ni ntwa mo twa there has been an improvement. And to me can say education system now say from where you stand from your looking point of view devoid of your political affiliation blibo unjin this we are on track.
Okay, Kechi, let me say humasua ene ye oman bia ade a ebeboa ma wetumpon na enunti the framers of Ghana Constitution no ejitu mu se humasua ya ade a esese ye koye nim no brano na ye de nhyehyɛ to kwan mu a ebema humasua aye fofofo to the point say ye ntu ahwe ne de age adesua pacho so tiase nti eno na aban abako nyina enam sa kwan no so be ya even the poor person when ya hwe kra de na obetimenya access to quality education. President Rawlings etu so na mo bebre F cube ni ade President Akropong so ebeto aso President Mills and Mahama President Mills, God bless his soul. Amen. And the President Mahama so etwa so pepepe. Na ye nyina ye hu the quality or standard of education sa previous government we nyina e infect the students.
Okay.
President Mills can be remembered for one major thing. Eradication of schools under trees. Say ye dumpempen so bia people were learning under the mercies of the weather. Mofra ko school na se about 9 na nsuo eye na adwen se obeja agumu a enam so muti duase ntino automatically the school must come to a shutdown. Inti President Mahama President Mills say SSS school bia e woduase bia yitimi yifri ho na mofra nya conducive environment and fansia de e ka ho na ye nya quality of education. President Mahama so be president no say yes basic no ye do senior high ho kwan ben so na ye befa so a ye betimi ama senior high education aye free
that time na basic ni yes
na basic no yes
and ejina ne na so
ejina ne nine so
because do baby na ni pay nya chalk in radio.
Oh, men kai time obi anya chalk and fan radio.
The teachers complained.
No, one teacher, one school no be complaining. You cannot generalize it as the issue across the whole country. In fact, they are not the ask cry. I'm on a school block dying. I'm on a trim. I'm on the textbooks. I'm on the school uniforms. Now, how much more chalk? Chalk. How much is chalk? Into you know they just obi cheap propaganda or the to kwem. But yes, school dying now my CSC basic no. NDC President Mills Breso. And a President Mama, yes, and twice one year secondary school. Quite benson year far. You bet me I saw your quality of education because take it or leave it. In the next 10 years, in Colorado Monam Secondary School or Ghana, we'll be fighting for the world opportunities with children of other countries. China, near the near Colani Siano, any near Manosusia or Hano. They will be fighting for the world opportunity. It's one prepare on money year. A bedus are future no. Now other countries prepare on mano. I take it over. Your man be kwa.
Okay.
It's very important say a quality of education no. Akosro. Then a President Mahama edit to President Mahama is free Germany. UK, Scandinavian countries, no, America, quite best no more education is free, even at university level. A day education.
But America, university, and yet free.
Yeah, but in European countries,
especially the Scandinavian countries.
Yeah, Scandinavian countries, free.
Ghana for the goes.
School.
Yeah,
they are able to do that because they've invested hugely in infrastructure, community education. Communities be now universities. So you wake up from bed, so no one antenna school. Traffic hour UK and up 7 to 9, and then you make 3 to 5. In Kolani now for bus ako school because they school in their various communities. A bus a be cheap more government, no. Na government net me afa teachers a hodo achi omo ka yie amoma kire Kolana de. And the president Mama started to see secondary schools in communities where there are no secondary schools. But in those communities, there are junior high schools. In Tikolabe, we school a free honor more person be call manim. In Tikolabe, so now fast and Kolani, you bet me, I'm education at Ben. Do you know what Britain is talking about education? They want to get to the point where they will personalize education. What's in American? Education system where sorry and boarding house will be in a draft year na follow. It doesn't mean that it is the perfect thing. Now they want to get to the point where Akolabi betimi achire na dey ofie, not necessarily going out.
A big crash start you.
I'm telling you, they want to personalize education. Because hono be unsa akola no ne ye chire no. In fact, e kona adwene. Na ya oma collapse the system of putting 50 people in one class. Span of control no difficult. Psycholanity as your son you don't know. That is the level other countries want to get to. And the first mission is to discourage anything a Bema Kolano aye overcrowded in one classroom. And a President Mama started to see community day schools in areas of secondary schools in New. In Tuba, baby to say Akropong-Akuapem secondary new schools na Jomama is in Ebiambaha because schools are buaha. Schools were your Benkum, your Nifa, a lot of them. Into Akolabi Akuapem, good schools. Akolabi Oye school Habiano. Our easy access to that form of education. And who here say or trako Akropong school. In fact, the UK so say North London. Now person call secondary school North London. I saw call basic school North London. You get access to North London secondary school for free. But so all fee Milton Keynes now person about school. I was Stratford. You pay.
Yes.
Because government want to discourage boarding education. But just what you say. The President Mama started here. Communities are picky here for secondary day schools in where communities that do not have secondary schools. Uchemwo dome hachuhonomwa bakusiwo and do an opa beautiful. How the kids are running to school.
The e-block.
The e-block. Fantastic. Eti esana President Mama try making sure say the education be bent my mufuo. No manya easy access to that quality of education, no. Now you feel say Nana Akuffo adone ne MPP for bar. Omo ebehwe ama sa anamo no ya nante so ama wie peyo. Omo ba ye na omo di dimbone, give a dog a bad name and hang it. Ya di dimbone to school for na ye sinis na send ye Commander Sugar Factory ni ade saglemi affordable housing ni na baba ye ka abemene Ghana no. Omo di dimbone to secondary educations ni nyina so. Yesan pia kola ni nyina kogu secondary schools existing ones no. Ena ye den kola ne ko gold double track be
green, yellow, green.
Chale funny. My wife teaches in a secondary school.
But said ye be abilibo anka akola bia benya access to education until they bia
no say yes you are not helping akola no because unim say secondary education and to say university education secondary education you be sure or first year first day examinable in the next 3 years.
In the next 3 years, yeah.
And until you say akola ni timinya continuous learning send e be ya and delete semester education yeah proper in the university you be sure in one semester no who exams are it's not examinable in the future semesters again. But secondary school there, you obviously your first day or first year, no. A examinable in the next 3 years. Inti uma kolano ko school one term, no better fee be 3 months. Olusu a lot of the things that we're sharing in that term, no. No say I could start another term. No say about better fee olusu in the memory. Inti you do 3 years there so final exam, no passing, no. The memory is not fresh.
But when one more coach train, per the data that we have, they excel.
You're a journalist and I know you know. Me what Pope John Mekai na you throw integrated science. Na teacher bako ono no me business. Okay. Teacher no chef science, chef physics and kasa.
Okay.
Mr. Jentu. Mr. JB. Yeah, we throw no more pese ye bi se bisa ya ho kakra me hu se JB abi gira ma chidin na wadafo bako bu na ni kire me din. Nti ma make move bia. Papa ni gira ma chi be 10 minutes. O hwehwe se me twi me concept me pese me bisa bibi na ne e ho na ye nje me paper. Teachers under that form of education were strict because they knew said they have taught the kids. Ya chiro made and say we are our exam hall. And you know what is happening in most of the school? Pensec is a classical example. Pensec is a classical example. And the headmaster there should be warned.
Amanfo wia.
Yes, Amanfo wia. Yes, survey edugu board so man kola na so moncho.
Na vigilators wo he.
I just external invigilators,
supervisors were here.
Exactly. They've corrupted everybody. The headmaster will call all the teachers. Say, who and Ochina mass. Pensec headmaster. Ochina mass. Eti Montias na Monpenina, Yamwa Yamman on him say, ye pese ye best school near Omodachi, what preparing ya veteran. So they are destabilizing the future of Ikolano. No, Fasibio ye in Sutem secondary school. Or tropi pani we bia no frame na me say course so ye chire mo say hi. Can you imagine?
Why na chire won?
School no teacher for nankasa. There is a price to teach the kids.
But as a good citizen, Blebo, you should have reported the school to authorities.
To which authority? Authority nankasa. Omo no mabe responding no. So there is two school of thought. There is the general public I feel say education Akuffo and then a minister Edemaye no. And you're polarized. And now there is another school of thought, education ministry, nankasa, omo system, no, chrome, no, so omo say, papa, because at every examination period, no, they force the headmasters to teach the kids. Call, me say, free teacher for our unimomo from in their various schools. So, omo say, be a baby, because it's a directive from the minister. Someone children kolano. Now what prepare Kolano here?
Directed from the minister.
A directive from the minister.
Sir, Omunchiren Kolano.
Omunchiren Kolano. Final exams.
Final exams.
I just said that police for ebe ba. Pensek. Nanu ya.
They are policemen around.
Nanu ya.
Because one more papers they police for
they corrupt them all. But nanu ya exams. There was only one paper.
But Obia ya corrupt to Obia.
Many dibebiachi.
And you are corrupt to Obia.
I'm telling you.
And you are also corrupted.
Me no. Why am I speaking out? If I'm corrupted, why am I speaking out?
Say, be na ona is ya na opese woka. Because you are corrupt to Obia, including the supervisors, including the vigilators, including the teachers, including the police, the security.
Exams no much. They have one constant external supervisor, and no more external supervisors are almost routed around.
Okay.
The external supervisor, however, constant no however, or by no. Directive no is from the minister.
Who evidence?
I am telling you, the minister should take me on. The
evidence?
I will pull a lot of people through if they take me on.
Because I know, sir, Amanfo cry one more a cheat.
No videos.
They are punished.
No videos of a headmaster.
I might remember a headmaster was punished. Was removed.
No headmaster saying to staff. Say minister na my directive say enchire kolano.
They
should take me on. I want the minister to take me
because
on.
I don't want to believe say a minister
because I want to go after them, but me need power. No? I want them to take me on. Let's go to court.
Then you prove.
Said they don't. I'll prove to them. I have videos on my phone. I have teachers. I'm recording. How do I say teacher for NDC for bro? They are not happy. Sometimes they rebel. They revolt. Now revolt here. Near day I want to say. Almost was subventions be near the idea eba. Headmaster was some discretion or the check. On my obi. Teacher Nino so na even though what they are doing in principle is bad, a community he have to comply because at the end of the day nothing will change. The directive is coming from where the back stops.
I don't believe say a community SSA will be comply unless the person is under duress. But because
no, that's exactly the word is duress. Because the moment our SO will be piano, because the decision is coming from the top. Wo sa teacher Nino, o report to Amahai. You be you free ho. The assessor on Sanka, o promotion by some way. So our people are quiet. But they are talking in confidence with us. And I'm getting videos. Catch me, know one of the video. A headmaster talking to staff said the minister have directed us. Say Mbuan Kolano. Obuan Kolano how?
I believe on Saka sa video. Anaka or report your office.
Report why?
Oh, you can because you are a citizen of Ghana.
And to me, from my Nana Akuffo Nanga or Honum. Then a young come for now. Or no one MPs. Sorry, is a finance minister or bomb minor form. Oh, what did he do?
I'm going to parliament in a Kwesi.
I could into me report to my regional youth organizer of NDC. President Mahama Krakan and finance Nami. But the most important thing is that there is hope in future. Say table ne tenia Ghana have the dead brutal.
Santene swear.
Beteni.
How do you know?
Oh, me say. Adane de da. Papa no was signing off so nya mampeni bium in principle. All intents and purposes as president were relinquishing in our to.
I'm back to the Ghana for and no engine to Musa.
Me de nim unim wakuma munim.
Me nim on can't me.
Ghana ni mampeni.
Uncle Baba, one of the evenings over to fellow Ghanaians. I am here to tell you my decision.
That was what presidents were doing in the past. Okasa we jai osima benye juma no wabre we jemu to me nyo. Obi mbra meye into opentem na Akuffo ado wo no and before. This is a noble platform. I don't want to go there.
I'm open.
Omo pese abantu go ba wo. But yes, our fourth republic.
NC
da. Yeah,
possible.
The reason why they don't want they want an overthrow of government. Send the ACC or other countries, but it will never happen in Ghana.
Why money pay?
Abanana montu nyina chese on pese ye beto abaye you.
Oh,
say soldier for the
we are a democratic nation. Ye twaba ana ye di nipa blibo me ho bibia those in authority abai na ye say on pese ye beto aba sanka na say kranka this registration here won't be
ontimi stop aba no
ontimi
but o show man na bufuo o she mebu na bufuo no mo sorry no mo nya ne ensem fata Omojia ni a took fourth constitution na gu na ne ya say akona omina ko factory setting na fru bia adwumu say under the fourth republic Akuffo was the worst president because in all record times he's become the worst president, irresponsive president. President Mahama time BBC won from him near Kanwa, you hear his voice and you know the position of the president. Occupy BOG, have you heard the president speak? What is his position on it? You're printing Sika far beyond what the constitution allows the Bank of Ghana to do. Am I inflation and I'm 40%? Who ever thought? Akuffo don't Baumia, epe to me. Did they ever tell you, Kaakyire, someone to about more inflation back of 40%? Who would have voted for them?
No.
They are doing absolutely opposite the things that they said. And so where is the president? Why is he not speaking? Odia Ketua on Kasa. Me ton so ane ate me task na de atwa Akuffo ado. Obi be se ye to bibia ma no so bolo krobe no ma ye to ma no. Ye to ma o se dwene na di o man nanim. Why are you not speaking on things that are pertinent to the ordinary Ghanaian?
So you think he's not speaking?
Mente President Akuffo ado kan ye. Enta me catch you say what signing of Akuffo ado sign on as president.
Ebia na wa delegate.
Why do you delegate? And for one beto was a delegate. Yes, ye adwuma mampani.
Oh, sir, Obi style of leadership.
Adwuma oye. Oja Ketua. Na de bia wa delegate ama Kelvin ti animu. Etoso mbako mienu miensa 1 month, 2 months. One Kasa, will you feel happy?
So are you trying to tell me, sir, Blibo, the man Akuffo ado, the president, is not working?
I ask you, tell me when the last time I doubt that. I doubt he even go to the office. No. I doubt Akuffo
he does.
Goes to the office.
He does. What's to be that? He's been receiving dignitaries from between international distance, both within Ghana, internal and external. So okay, Juma. The fact say Okoman Kasa who will radio so on TV so no and say Juma. How you cannot you cannot say that.
You'll be a good lawyer to Akuffo.
I haven't read law, and I don't have any intent of reading law.
Kaakyire, but on a more serious note, baby, your mind and I'm dangerous. Say education, ebedum pempen soa, teacher for a yes solution. Section A, or your friends say your friends say she near ticket no. Your friends say she
objectives no.
Good. Eno enyaba pe na master of the course to say science masters, you know. I could share them by 15 minutes, no my solutions number. Near the big board so 1A, 2B, 3C. Dito. Can you ever fathom it? Is this a country?
I
know you know. You are a journalist. I know you go deeper than I do. You know. Investigating all the schools here, they will tell you they are teaching the kids.
Who will tell me?
The teachers will tell you.
Are you
and
sure?
Me, Nyami Adomna NDC, I will go after certain headmasters. They should relinquish their job because they are not helping the kids. Chenkolana dear, say adajena choma dear. No, I've tried there secondary school. Can you imagine? They be okajem is all here dictation biama SS2 for me man words. Common word like maneuver. Students in secondary school cannot spell it.
Sa yenchire
and our okajem is education here good. When me na me coach na me mama etopatma we na money we watch.
Yo, na say yenye time.
Okay, what time was secondary school? You remember?
Yeah, me we almost 31 years.
Exactly. But when the bachelor was exam war, when the bachelor?
Nobody.
Who teacher bet you? So we copy final exam. Hey yo future. Who teacher bet you me a chop people. That was the competition then. In kola hine we are a chop people. Where it is a.
Oh, but say ayo mutual people in the more. One mutual.
Abanwe.
Oh, ebiaba. Me who
ebi si da. Akuffo do amemo we. Obecho hwan abepem. People no ahye say enchire kola no. Oncha bi mu da oni satu ni
no improve you enti won to make say a buy ministry pa betimi aka say yenchire oh come on okay if that is the case how come say bebre so entimi excel efeli etwura won mu enya
enkola ni bi tie wu ama
ama ya twra de aguboard so
I swear to God overdraw teacher na ochro no on twra de no overdraw teacher na ochra de no board no so no dey so I'm telling you enkola ni bi tie wu brutal but and the fault it is the system necessary teaching color and now Germany is here so person you're medical doctor at your age Germany will train you to be a medical doctor because they believe say oh I dream beer or bet me at the ISIB it's in your color fault say on excel it is school no system no and then buan colano akola no woman akwa train fee be 2 months and oba be di 1 month. I mean what sort of education?
But so mo fee na mo call mo friends in classes and na my teacher for your classes mo.
Why should that be the case? Why engineer own to me afford the classes no? Ono so e. What cause a break in the memory of akola no healthy country does this. In fact, sadie we ensi wo baby akuwesi no. Omo education omo continuous flow and yet discreet.
Bible, I believe say there's this word adjustment because say obiaba etiminya access eco secondary school ninti. Even if there are going to be difficulties and hardships, we need to adjust, and that's why Okoman says okay, yeah, adjust it at least. Obia wotifie ye bese ni yefunu ye bese ni nyinsen. Obi obekọ akọtran kwankwan diase on the dam ne ware na woto. Obi obekọ akọtran ghetto akwa no say ni panic school at least and they cry akwa school.
So responsible government act in a certain way. Abra President Akuffo the secondary education call 4 years. President Mills a buy a beton. Because the 4th year no almost year 4 in a row no. Now President Mills not a president. What did he do? He didn't complain. Immediately or initiating a friend emergency classroom blocks. Your facelift every school to hold the kids. That is the president or Jean Chibamufono or Jean Colane Dachamo. But President Waba said, oh no. I mean, only a chunk. Instead, send me this cabesha day schools no mawie in term na kola bia encouraged to go to school in their community. In fact, ke betimi the motivation be ato so say go school in your community, there's a prize for you. So that people will be encouraged to school in their communities.
Say bia na ya hoden ndu.
Ahoden pay.
Ahoden ni ho.
Bank of Ghana did 70 billion free. Ahoden men bi on your account. Bro need tikra na na machine. Because as sika we nye joke of a money. 70 billion, as you know, just like that. Yeah, the 21 billion. A collapse banks almost 9 billion. I mean, we are not angry enough. This country, we are not angry enough. And say MPP 40 million kukudrone kasa, esan kasa say omu be breaki 8. It's an insult to every young Ghanaian. It's an insult because omu diomaino bonne, omu diomaino dream to the deepest level. To the extent that omu records, actually say over 1 million young Ghanaians have been put deep into deeper poverty. You can say deeper poverty, and there's a nipano, untimi nto aduane ba kumpo ndi in a day. How? Eti wo ye de wa ba be man pani say education system no hwe yenya the quality in here. Masa ade we keke nyina yenya ne Ghana ye fi abrochire. But Blibo we life skills for China, life skills. Senya yeah fluffy ball near that collaborate. Life skills. Yeah doormat. Life skills. Yeah. Life skills China. But that answer actually say enkola no try no omu try. I don't back catch no macho the secret. Me say do you know? I know you know you are playing the devil's advocate. Oh, teacher for now for Bri or secondary schools. But I mean recently, me 2 girls, Archbishop Portes, very good school. I think President even invited one to come. Wow. It was my child from one, yeah, from 1 to 3 or you know, she was the best. Fantastic. The best. It's only you know, outlier no. No, Osia. Ohia bibia or framing or catch them. I mean, brilliant. Yes. But I don't want to believe we say it's not even all the schools. You understand? Most of the schools, but schools like Archbishop Potter girls, schools like Wesley girls, St. Rose's, they are disciplined. You understand? They are disciplined. You don't find those things there. But chunk of schools ne go ase on, go finfin on. Me say they are solving the exams for the students. Me, I've said it. I want the minister to throw a challenge. I will show them. Well, a lot of evidence. Kosek, thank God the headmaster is out of school. It's a pension. I have it. I'm following them closely. Why do you do that to the kids? I don't know. Say Akolani Dachi. Akolani Beko University baby now output near poor. And we Legon at a point in time, every few soon collaborate admissions. Yeah, for my first semester. Needing crying. Also, we secondary school. What's been true? Common essay. What's been true? We secondary school because they've taught them. And no more passing a Diomaba University. Why are you doing this to Ghana? Ghana don't deserve this. Ghana Nyankopon adom akola bia otete bi bia mu ofa. Ade na muntimi spend sika ne time entete nkola no. Na mo mafa the easiest way, the cheapest way, yenchire omo. Oba awareness Debbie. Emi dey say oba na an outlier. No ati mesua de atwa. But majority of them in it, they are being taught. In Kolana Kasa, in their heart of hearts, they know that they are not giving them the best of education. They know. Omuti school yenchire omo de. They know. I mean, I follow a lot because I'm concerned about the next 10 years. What is going to be the output level of those students? Then I bet me are competing with other countries. What are we teaching them? Commander Sugar Factory, Ajo Mahama, ACA. Technicians are not Mbabe Mojuma Krani and Nibi Ghana. In fact, in Sena, ye factory no complete. Factory ye factory no. Factory no. Propaganda na envy, MPP propaganda na envy. Ye factory no complete. Test run machines no. From sugar cane to end product of sugar. Na o hobby. You know Captain Smart. Na o hobby. Captain Smart. Sugar no. Amanfo be about you. Me man ko hobby that day. Captain Smart. I was supposed to be there, but I meant me uncle. Captain Smart and Kasa. Kojo de meneno ya de sisi. You are my friend on. Yes, that from. Say they should propagate. Say sugar cane. I don't want us to go on that tangent and down pay. But Blibo, you and I know say now even the sugar cane kwana ke de be age man. Na be no. Na you Papa Kwesi Ndum alone, cultivate 1 hectare of sugarcane. As at 2018, say factory no minimum pa 2018 news headline no honum ko check sugarcane farmers are because of the inception of the factory Nike Kentino almost started your musica call sugarcane farming muno na sugarcane no aye ready omo de abeteshi
because
so how can you tell me that there was no sugarcane
exactly it's on my stretch
it will cultivate 1 hectare of sugarcane to feed the factory continuous Abina Kasa so one in Sasia Commander Sugar Factory one in Sasia ye do sugarcane was that sugarcane and normal sugarcane here we know what the chef from there fifia at the same saying so and the feed factory no all these things but because cartel na importing sugar about Ghana young PP4 and until we should give a dog a bad name and hang it factory na be create employment amani pa be 7,000 no ya nama adane white elephant and omugusu importing sugar
anti sasanoma we nyina wo honom a if the factory was complete and that na ye bie ye na shutting it down.
Okay, so you know that as an industrialist industries don't work like car engine machines now ye dey ejun Commander sugar factory and say car engine me come madina me do madina no me dum no some machines no o plug in so a etimi ye ejuma continuous for 7 months and sana wadum no entina in industries omo ye ejuma morning afternoon shift labor no turn around the machine don't go off such is Commander sugar factory into ye closing say sugar cane farmers na ya contractual money nyina no by the next 4-5 months or 6 months sugar cane e ready that's hectares of sugar cane ready and one say ya so machine na ye the sugar cane no e feed the factory now for another 6-7 months na ya closing and maintaining machines no. That is the wisdom.
So that was it.
That was the wisdom.
Okay, for education, education there no way.
Education they say minimum ya to say enkolano they are not giving them proper education. As I say minister no kan ho no kre. Say ni odi ye o man Ghana no. O man Ghana nipa bi na konje o man no.
Because in our education system no, once we have this as a you narrow to SHS but I don't want us to
unse BEC yentimi nkyere nkola no nti no e strict nti no hwe Grace nkola no PF school 45 50 48 obitimi ye bold ya ma me ba no school onya 30 ya time utimi ka 30 utimi ka 30 akola de 45 and e secondary school
well, for now no when say colleges of education we honoma ya upgrading over 42 government supervisory you know oguso new curriculum the academic calendar they are going back to the former one come September is it they started September yeah next year September no
next year
September
because almost on the long back now next year no continue
exactly so abani ye we nyina na it means e bi oye bibi we hu say ye and opeso reverse
no the output na ye hu no ye poor and America no nkola no records omo di PF school mu eba no e so poor esese nkola no be PF school no na nkola no ye nkola omo that I mean obibi a chese akola no wanya nimdie bi say ase ye de omo pass through the system keke 3 years no akọ waste e wo school nothing on fashion MFA yankyere na ade bia e wo school no because school na gaza no ko no in breaks in discrete or 3 months or better 6 months. I mean, nobody does that. Nobody does that. So they should give us a break. Yene yema ene yedi omo school. Omo ba fia at least yehu omo line of reasoning ne ade. Se mo chire nkola na ade a omo ba fia parents will not be telling you that you are giving us a poor education. They are giving us a poor education. So it is the word of Ghana for against the ministry now. Almost say near man. Now no, I say I know you're sure so about I beg you say and education, I collapse Ghana. They cannot have the courage to tell you that.
Okay, this is coming from Commander Richard Etonam Nyako, aka Blibo. It's the original youth organizer of the NDC. My share way. I'm giving you 2 topics. You choose one. Now where you I don't know. So to me Kasa briefly on both.
Mix.
Yeah. 1, African government must demonstrate intolerance to corruption. Baby, I'm afraid about it. Me, R, me, L, no. I am careful. tena kumasi wano musa tie no go break
I be confused there's all two words
me R and M L according to Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition Professor Enescote, I think University of Ghana, he was the dean of economic. Yeah, also Ise, Onona, the director of that, also the same year, but say even our procurement processes in the crown, we become so corrupt, and then as for and no other if a fuel price, and also as and now, now about Obetia, I say, oh, gold for fuel, and so still, it's like we are not seeing nothing.
Wow.
But in all, you have like 10 minutes.
Okay. Catch you, that's a baby. In fact, say nya kwenya ba radio show. Na ya associate with the plight of the poor. Then ya on my boni.
Okay.
Senia asitire mo ayedin. Senia nipa ko ahohiahia mu. Senia utwa wani a enja. A mabunu no aye stagnated. Na only hope bia no. A lot of people are dying out of it. Now, there should be a paradigm shift at a point in time. I say, African leaders should have intolerance to corruption. This is not the first time I advise we say about corruption. Is a major tool it take away the rewards for the youth. And I will situate it in Oman Ghana because my interest is Ghana. Okay. I don't care what Nigerians are doing. I don't care what Ethiopia and other places.
Oh, you're Ghana and what Ghana?
Yeah, Ghana and Ghana. In fact, there are some other African nations they are doing well. Tanzania, Namibia, they are there. They are trying to limit corruption. There was a president in Tanzania, a friend of John Magufuli. He passed out during the COVID time. Magufuli, as president, Tanzania, pay a visit to one major hospital to say Kolebu. Surprise visit, no beds, no baby. As people were lying on the floor, with that plastic chair near there. Olidi maintenance officer no call maintenance room now. Some of the beds, they just some small screws. Ojana nine so. FIR all the authorities of the hospital and are appointing new ones. In the next 2 weeks, no be under phone beam. All the maintenance room was empty, were fixed. That was a leader. On your conference to UN summit to America, the chief of staff, the Nipa be 100 and something names and buy expenditure now on small expenditure. Or slashing in down to 3 people.
3 people.
The cost now can say or they flying Akropong or they procure more hospital beds every most of the hospitals. That is what a right thinking leader does. What are we seeing in Ghana? Dumeluvona also touch to corruption. So mami new me no who be eti eka wasem. Apreku Kwesi Appea you never ho because he was fighting for you and me. And nobody, we couldn't even show our anger.
Now the time on Sonya.
The time on Sonya, you never ho.
Yeah, you need to. Now the time is here. Says Orita.
Debbie. Let's all go live by force.
Pratu. Say you may be out here now because retirement.
And Akuffo don't go live. Nana Akuffo. He has to go on leave.
But is that one to also enshrine in the constitution? Say when you 60 years and 65, 70, I want to mean your man penny. No.
So
they are not appointed.
If you are supposed to talk about constitution, what they did was wrong because Supreme Court and Casagrappo ruled and said they didn't have the authority to do that. But in your ethics, o Kaakyire Ghana for say, oh ba, no abete corruption so. Oba be si no kwan. And unti dada na ACA under President Mahama, Vicky Hammer, ekoka say onya $1 million obeja politics no. Ye hu say ni trimpo na abo no ebi obefa kwati kwan so akope $1 million. Ye yini fi oje adwuma ne fi nsem. Enti eno no nye. Enti oba no aba be reduce no. Oba ye na ye wi obi $1 million e woni dem Minister of State watimi save ne salary a ma wanya bebre abro so ma ye wi $1 million wa hu mpo se ye wi $1 million.
Who say ne salary no save we sir?
And I mean, kind of thing.
No, nipa about Apreku say. The bride.
Wasn't in your no shoemaker. Hey, minimum shoemaker. Hey, yes, lucrative business. Ada.
Lucrative.
Catch $1 million.
Yes,
they fa actually porn can because I said 300,000 euros. But they can't ask me time. I'm not do $1 million. So I see a chama will be 100 million, 10,000, 10,000. Only in Nipa 5,000 people.
5,000 people.
Now Nipa 5,000. Yes, I lie. Say from Amanfo roundabout.
Yeah. Yeah, dosu.
Yeah, dosu pa 5,000. Sisa Nipa do ni nyina sika. Ye wi ama me na ehumpo se ne sika so ate. That is over $10 million in a good demo. And Akuffo will still look at that. No, I throw home love letter. And they are responding, Mama. No. How can you tell me that he has intolerance to corruption? Sanyama we na masa argument we nyina about. Say man penyi yes hwehan si ho. Na Amanfo LC bo mine chrono health minister under COVID. Yes, spending is almost close to $100 and something million for almost say inject vaccines. The vaccines, we couldn't take delivery of the vaccines. Yes, you can also record be anywhere. The people return the money to us. They held the neck of the minister. They held him to the wall. No, also. Or admit the wrongs near there. See, who wasn't in his right thinking mode near the idea. Now I depressed near the idea. But where is the money? $100 million. And Akuffo is still there. The guy is still there as minister. We are still paying him. Ochiviate or you free. Bra, Korea Obia punching what will happen to you? Aponche. Kabodie. Common body. So they open say woody because they come they will take you to the cleaners. Now Minister Maya Boka $100 million. He still have the guts to talk, move around, have the freedom. There, I'm telling you, something is about to happen.
Something like what?
Sir President Mahama, we need elections. Now, Akropong we are that prison. Yemubi.
Masa.
We will use our informal means to go to enter prison. Yemubi. You bet Akropong physical.
Masa, we attended Nkosiaga. Both of you and this MPP, you scratch my back, I scratch your back. I
am enthused to talk. You know why?
Tell me.
Because you've engaged here, President Mahama. I love his zeal. Mr. Ghana, I bet it's Bruce Lee near Jack Chan.
I trust my leg.
Yemubi, you bet Akropong physical. And family kwan so kra.
Na say family kwan so what
we will fight for this country. So omonya abadaye.
So we fight for this country. I mean, as
omonya abadaye. Cecilia da pa nya abadaye. Say ne party for Ankasa Nkrampo say okono ho na o kan asem na o hia school fees a onu su kire wo. So no $10 million won them. As wicked as that. Where your money sika, where your money body.
I know they want to make us because how do you know so we are here?
Because we declare the assets. And son of minister. On my assets, no. And he found an savings of 10 million. You know Dangote.
I know him very well.
He's the richest man in Africa.
Africa, yeah.
Me hear the video. We say in his life, $2 million. Into one time, no coach raw $2 million check. And you go in the car.
No, they call fee.
No,
better when they chain or they call it.
We will sika. And or they call it. Dangote, the richest man in Africa. So $2 million. Da. Cecilia Dapao is who? I'll bet you your baby $1 million. So where is he getting the money from? What he got them? Ibrahim Ahmad got them free Magana. On his Zoom line, I got them $42 million. Doesn't it tell you something? It is Akropong, they are agents of the prisons. Baby, I do know. Send this Yamiya Dumne about Bemua. A showdown.
A showdown. Okay. I wish Mema Yambon Remuna etiefo so embremu kakra na yenhwe ne etiefo ensomeka. Therefore pacha mo de mo messages ne ba making kan e dia mamo don't buame. Your WhatsApp line na obetimi afresh one na do message afresh no 0270 191 971 and your WhatsApp 0270 191 1971 or the ba your making kan e de amount DJ was say, good morning. I'm watching you live in Achimota. Greetings to the production team. Okay, we take weather. Hima Bella say, big ups team. Priscilla Ekwanya Akwa, big ups commander. Making the youth proud. We thank you. Kwame Sola, Hitman, Commander Blibo. Adumarakwa Ballistic. Sent in this one, Commander Richard Etonam Nyako Blibo is a great communicator and access to the great NDC party. Kudos to him. And we, the Eastern Regional Constituencies youth organizers, are solidly behind you. I say good morning, bros. Okay. Prince Henry, Akropong Idua, I say Commander Richard Etonam Nyako, more fire. Kwame Zola Adumarakwa Ede Aba said it all, bro. Big ups. The youth is proud of you, Commander. Also, please listen to wisdom from the Eastern Regional Youth Organizer, Richard Etonam Nyako, and how to make free SHS better. Why? Frederick Osei Frimpong. Also setting the record straight. And Sola also sends in this one. Very well said. The system is corrupted. Surom Lender, also Commander Bilbo, that and Yak says, keep the fire burning, Commander Bilbo. We are proud of you and your good education. Greetings to Dr. Frederick Sumia Obey, the next Nkoko constituency MP. Yak and Koko constituency, other youth representatives in our audio way by. The system is weak. Oh, my able regional youth organizer, speak to them. The system is so weak. Objectives, it has not happened before. So you are more than good, Commander Blibo. Okay, Sansui. Let me read that one. Sansui Abdul Hamid says, Commander Bibo Flow, indeed, you are doing a marvelous work. Service to the nation and service to the great NDC. Yes, Kwame Sola says, yes. What about parents who can afford extra classes? Yes, we made mention of extra classes. And Kofi NDC from, the name is what? Yensiso? Okay, Yensiso. Onoso Diaba. I say, the police, good morning.
Good morning. Good day. From your face, Mr. Akropong.
Me pacho, my entio, Minya.
Yeah, by our president also. Why 2020? And it's Kasa should boss. Never be brave or what? And possibly brave, this way I will use this career.
Okay.
Walk a crowd, Wumra. I hear someone called to a Ghana. You know, discuss your money a day. You know, for Subia and so. I say, Jai, never be ma. Why him for only one thing for now, won't see you in I know why. That would be 2020 now. Say, okay, so Makama when you be scanner, na best say,
okay. Menso Medawa say, yes, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Boss, Udini be out free.
Pacho, your friend, Kasa friends.
Me Pacho, my entio.
No, Medawa said to my father, on my gun. Yeah, Commander, I believe it. Yeah, but not city power. The commander, some sir, the Usher is sent master Katia Hamel. Him high, Japan, and the honor maker, and some in your big work at about. The papa said, oh, back to stop the cocoa for it. Your free baby cocoa.
Okay.
And some baby cocoa, Madena Johnson, Yapang, into Mary Bissassi. Yet, you never crack him on one for Papa to be now. Because bridge in one, Ocean swap to ask the son we have other two bridge, who was a bridge on my farmer's airport. If you open and view it, my home photos, one taking a crap behind and form. Like a crumb in striking with them, the Jaya Proban or Pano, I'm still almost like into almost a quang not your back, a Kufa, and a professor from her. A quang not saying Tom by a quang Ramayana. Chadosu, market quang, the young man was the best home, and a Spana say, almost found, which a capel. Akuffo to mu not and also ba be ye ya na so be say me kwama obi fufura.
Me da say so betumi afre na wa boy rembi WhatsApp call so no 0270 191971 0270 191971 obetumi so afre me was 055 166 7755 055 166 7755 yet on 020 58 18748 020 0581848. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Your friend Patrick.
Yo, Patu.
Yeah, me no, me kafeshi edli,
Okay.
Chama.
Yes, sir.
Me da was nyankopon nhira wo. Ene adwumasoma wo de eboa oman Ghana na Akuffo so. Me come asem so a. Chama, NDC man no otu ho no no. Ana NDC fuo what to egu nipa ni sa. Yenim abla omanpenda da mahama wo so no. Yenim na ko so o ka commander sugar factory. Who did it say? Imagine say, Nanado beba, anasa or Mampeni beba, na factory, a year juma, no be closing down. What man can work, oh my capula. You know how? You knew never saw my gunner. Commander factory, may call, maybe more, commander, maybe because no warfare, a while war. Oh, gosh, I know quite a war fast where you are now. What did you say, Emrana? Woman to put into Ghana, Amanfo ni ewa because what comes about from breaking the 8 in MPP, you be breaking. Never breaking, you are a magic and you be breaking.
Okay, Medase, Obiwa Hamani.
Why?
Yo, Meso, Medase, person like Kwame Sola, Hitman Commander Blibbo. Okay, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I told you to be out free bonnie to an anchor. Okay.
Meta cho wa NDC ne we kameme nkwantu eni woni na ntiko then papo komra because what ba we be candidate ni na wa kantu na eko so what that nti wa wo na wo dibi wo na ka nti eni wo na ni papo from DPP wo we wo mra ni yen so wo so wa mo
Nyame enka so ho ye da say somebody on the line again. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Kasa de mami udini bi afrefre. Adenya te say. Ye da irade ase ye ntie o.
Yan ha o pesi a lot of fun. Okay, you say you fra o ti ma so fra ko ko dia. Ani afra enye fra ya bara yesu ye na tun ko produce ya tun ko ti ka ye hu so ka ti ni so mai so bi ya fra na so pin ti bisa na we aka na so de nero for hospital nya me amema e be di boro wo pan ti ya bara yesu ye goti ya wen ya wa president ye kre e ti ya yam papa ya kra mo se one shot na ye fan one hu bibi sa na ye bre pa dot what is no bi ka dot what ka dia mi ko kra ni kra ko bi to dia kra ba nti to ye fan na ye atentia
Yada say wa free adenya won so betumi abo awura bia no pe atwetwe nkomo afa SHS ne ho abaim umpenifo ekre the Minister of Education Dr. Duchume say ekoye pa ni ayewo no ekre say ekoye awofo ni bi so ka say emboa enkoye enkola ye hu omu ye enda akodas go adechi a hwan na ba homani so yi okay 055-166-7755 055-166-7755 about to be the WhatsApp call no afa 0270 so 191-971 0270 191-971 obetimi afre na ode onso wadwenkyere ede afa ho adape ba me kamfo Safari Valley Eco Park no emfa ema. You see, baby, I walk when it's now who say yes, baby, a cost or Doman Kumaja Padie, F. Bekwa Koto and Moa, Bekwa Koto in Sue, Obekwa Koto in Nia, Obekwa Koto, I say, and no every one more. We win, may say, I didn't try a full plane. A free annum, echo South Africa, say a quack, ye quack, a near bush and for a quack, ye niso, a dear. Yes, we are Juma, Master, I saw a vacational. What then you play now, quack of Wako, what dear, oh, hey, Eastern region here, Safari, here, Safari, yeah, Nano here. And the dear now, per se, Obehu zebra, Obehu giraffe, maybe Chrome Giraffe friend also hori me nimnia Akuapem for friend also hori okwa obehu emo ahodo bebre a wehu bi o TV so da ba hunya ani bi nhia mpuni mpuda okwa obehu bi enti ada na wonko ne abusuafo ni na nko kwose weekend bia e bia nka Friday say akwose wonom Saturday Sunday mabumu ketem ma mo beba na bibia ye fresh, you know, mentally, psychologically, everything, because environment, you know, very, 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 very good. Maybe for reservation, I have 059 69 14 394 059 69 14 394 Safari Valley Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature. And now, those of you are more person, more friend, me afre, we have few minutes, like 2 more minutes. But I know my main farmer, my Richard Etonam Nyako, Commander, na onfa wrap up na yenko. Yes, sir.
Let me say, on a more serious note, on my Ghana, ayo maya Nyankopon ehira yen ye pa. Enche se emebu no eho kire mo saati bia ya bedru imu.
Okay.
In fact, something is also happening, and I want to put it here.
And that is?
We say Nyankopon ehira Ghana with a lot of resources.
Yes, we have.
They'll gold, your bauxite, your diamond.
There were timber.
There were timber.
There were
cocoa.
Manganese.
You
name them.
All the things. Ose brugu nsem na otokosro na tofomo
ebefifi
konabra ebefifi. That is the blessing that Ghana have. Nyankopon their mind. They say your product being so natural resource be a friend lithium. Lithium near their batteries be car batteries, electronic cars near the now. Do you know say Tesla?
Yeah.
Or use lithium or the electronic cars near the now. Lithium omu use the quality near about 0.7. Lithium and Yankopon Edia Shira Ghana, ye discover Ghana no quality near 1.2. I said, be 1.29.
It's on high.
Very high. Rare. Baby. How the be the lifespan of SAP battery no longer than what we are getting today. No? You discover in large quantities. It can turn the economy of Ghana around. And now Winiba a ponano konina lithium do you know, say, lithium may be turning the economy of Ghana around? And by this time, company for more policies necessary, they are my abua mebuno. And Kawa set up a comparative advantage system more. Company beer or pay lithium or Ghana no, on be setting up the factory or Ghana hamaye. Tesla, Eddie Americana beba because mu here ye lithium no same bibia. Do you know so my Ghana President Akuffo ene negabi ochida kon dia ma Australian company bia en call parliament o en so ma start 2 lithium no mu 2 ana o ma left atu plane mu na call Australia no ma cotton ye beti ani na lithium Nyankopon de ehira yan kesese emebu ne mamu wa ne nyina yenya so faso no na san e wo Ghana
but na be say ye gold cry to hanom no from Adam Wabreso.
So we've lost the fight for gold. We shouldn't lose the fight on lithium. If we lost the fight on gold, we should never lose the fight on lithium.
Okay.
Because lithium, ababeye product say companies are holding ehia. Car batteries, phone batteries, bibia lithium near there. Your lithium no quality no best than Ukraine, no Russia, no Canada for lithium.
Na yade ya start to ana.
Me say abrofo ni tu.
Am dey call Russia na.
Am dey call Australia.
Australia.
Ye tu near the call emebu ni nya juma nya Akufo is president, we pay him at the end of the day.
Okay.
Disgusting. But the American they share mebu no and crying say. E wom say waboto. E wom say wabemabu. A lot of you are in despair. Oh, yeah, I mean, I'm gutted. There is only one hope alive. The hope is President John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Send you trying 4 years. My Terminal 3 Airport, KJTR Market, why or starting the facelift. Eba Ghana ha. National Service personnel nana ketuya. or so they toss sardine or toss sardine makumako 350. And next national service personnel get you a toss sardine makumako 50.
Okay.
There is joy for you tomorrow. Enti nyabotre say afa pain we are left with 1 year 3 months to put the MPP into the ground for good.
Medas and Anope Commander Richard Etonam Nyako aka Blibo is the original youth organizer of the NDC. Supporting here in the studios, Barima Inform Deputy IT Officer, and also Odro George Jr. Deputy Youth Organizer, Akropong in the constituency. Adabe abusiafo ha na brebe makwa di mu besie. Yempai bo se urade train mu kira ye, onka ye ho, onbo ye ho ban. Adabe ni aye ka nyina ne se, oh, Blibo. Why are there? Monfrey you mame. Abusia ye di mu si ha say ho, na ye pagya ye mu ho. Na enda kwa akoye weekend dey me bompa ese ne de ye we ye odere mfa ye onyanko do onyanko se wo ho enya bone entieti obi fa ahodie so kire odo ama wunua me yondo do ye ho ne yenye de tere yembenye urade ne asoma urade ne yenye ne efata ye fra me Kaakyire Kwesi Appea Apreku Christ asomdwe na me dijamo abusu amakramo bye bye.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hey, floor tissue, celery.